October 4th.
Obliged, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 1.
One.
Item number 1, the annexure 1 running page 8.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇ annexure business କରନ୍ତୁନି ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କହିବେ ପଛେ annexure କୁ ଯିବା ଆଉ annexure 1 running page ଏଇଟା କଣ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଏଇଟା ସିଧା କହନ୍ତୁ କଣ ହେଇଛି
That is the eviction notice.
नो eviction notice ପଛେ ଦେଖିବି ଆଉ କଣ ହେଇଛି କହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କୋଉ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଥିଲେ କଣ କଲେ କେବେ କେବେଠୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ ସିଧା ପଳଉଛନ୍ତି ସିଧା ଏଠିକି
Appeal is pending. And earlier on,
ମତେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି କହନ୍ତୁ ମୂଳରୁ କଣ ହେଇଛି କହନ୍ତୁ IPL is pending କିନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ that is not the right way of presenting things କଣ ହେଇଛି ମୂଳରୁ କହନ୍ତୁ
one of the volunteers filed a petition and
who are you
I am the possession on the land.
you are the
Possession.
there is possession whose land
Government.
government land କେବେଠୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି
Since
ସେଇଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି କହିବେ ନା ଆପଣ ସିଧା ପଳେଇ ଆଉଛନ୍ତି come to notice number 1
my
annexure
forefather.
5
Since my forefather.
ହଁ
Forefather.
ଇୟର ତ ଥିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା since our forefather ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ଇୟର କହିବେ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ଆପଣ ପୋଜିସନ
You're about 50 or so.
ସେଟା କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ since my forefather ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି କେତେ ବର୍ଷ 100 ବର୍ଷ ବି ହେଇପାରେ forefather ମାନେ କଣ ବାପାର ସବୁ forefathers ତ କେବେଠୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି forefather
50 ବର୍ଷ ହେବ ମୁଁ ସେଠି
ପଛରେ କହିବେ ନା 50 ବର୍ଷ କି କହିବେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବି ଏଇଟା
ଜଣେ ଭଲେଣ୍ଟିୟର ଆସିଲେ ଆସି ଗୋଟେ ରିପିଟିସନ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଫାଇଲିଂ
ଭଲ କରି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ କେସ୍ ଟାକୁ ଏମିତି ନାହିଁ annexure ମୁଁ ଏମିତି annexure ବାଲା ଜଜ ନୁହେଁ ସିଧା ପୁରା ପଏଣ୍ଟ ୱାଇଜ କହିବେ annexure କୁ ଯିବେ ବାସ୍ now come to the annexure
annexure 1 man. Annexure 1 man.
annexure 1
running page 8. Man, the writ petition 37756 of 2023 filed on villagers. That is the order passed by this honorable court. The operating portion, the in the result, the writ petition stand disposed of with a direction to the opposite party number 4 to consider annexure 3 and thereafter to take appropriate legal action pursuant to annexure 2 and to ensure removal of encroachment as soon as possible, preferable within the period of 6 weeks.
तो ठीक है removal of annexure they are removing the encroachment that's the problem
From conclusion, from the date of receipt of the copy of this
does
order,
that mean that
unless
if
there
you
is
have been in occupation of the land for 50 years and you are occupying some of the prime land maybe some
no,
important
this
land
is not a crime.
then
There
who
is any legal impediments, madam. The honorable
there is legal impediment
legal
of
impediment.
course when you are occupying the government land it is not in your name there is legal impediment is there
Legal impediments, my lord. Kindly see annexure. I filed a writ petition.
so what
Filed writ petition. That is the status code order. Is continuing, my lord. That is running page 11. Running page 11. Running page 11, my lord. Till disposal of the interim application as would be filed and disposal of
why
the
have you come again then you should have shown that order the status I am enjoying status quo please don't would have given
Yes, my lord.
where have you given that status quo order
Status code order, my lord.
ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଦେଖେଇଛନ୍ତି status quo order କୁ
Among appeal is pending.
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଅଥରିଟି ଦେଲା ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି
Annexure, that is last annexure, that is annexure 6.
then you should have filed contempt if your status quo are there still there then you should have filed contempt
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଟାକୁ ଦେଲା ପରେ ବି ମଧ୍ୟ ସେମାନେ 5 ତାରିଖରେ
contempt ଫାଇଲ କାଇଁ କଲେନି ସାର୍ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଯଦି ଭାয়োଲେଟ କଲା କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ କରିବା ମାନେ କଣ
ସେ ଏବେ ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ସେ
ଏବେ ରିସେଣ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ଏବେ ବି
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ନମ୍ବର ପକେଇକି ମତେ evict
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କରିବାକୁ
ମତେ
କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
ଏ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ନମ୍ବର କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁନି ଯଦି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ୱାଜ passed just they granting a status quo and they have given you the notice you should have filed a contempt application
ପ୍ରଥମ ଭାଲେ
contempt file କରନ୍ତୁ
ମାନେ annexure ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଭାଇ ଏବେ ପୁଣି ଗୋଟେ 2 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା 2 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ତ ଆପଣ contempt କାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସାର୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ annexure 6 ଟା ଟିକେ
ଏଇ annexure ପୁଣି କଲେ ଯଦି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଭାয়োଲେଟ କରିକି ସେମାନେ ନୋଟିସ ଦେଲେ who are prevented you to file a contempt you should have filed a contempt instead of filing another writ
7 ଦିନ ସମୟ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦେବେ
ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେଲେ ମୁଁ କଣ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କଲେନି କଣ ପାଇଁ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରିବା କଥା ନା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାପରେ ମତେ ପୁଣି ଏଟା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥିଲା ବେଳେ ପୁଣି ଗୋଟେ 5 ତାରିଖ 2 ତାରିଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ନୋଟିସ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ନୋଟିସ ଦେବେ ଆପଣ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଅଛି ନୋଟିସ ଦେବେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଦେବେ ନୋଟିସ
ପୁଣି ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 7 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଭାଙ୍ଗି
ଦେବେ ପୁରା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆହୁରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 4-5ଟା ଆହୁରି ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ ଲେଖିକି ଦେଲି
ଲେଖିକି ଦେଲେ କଣ
status order ଅଛି appeal is still pending before the sub collector
appeal pending ଅଛି the notice appeal ର stay ନାହିଁ ନା Appeal stay ନଥିଲା।
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ କୁ ଦେଇଥିଲା ତେଣୁ କରିକି ସବ କଲେକ୍ଟର ଦେଲେନି
ନୂଆ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ କୁ ଦେଲା ପରେ ବି ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ନୋଟିସ୍
ସେଟା ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କର 2-3 ଭିତରେ
କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଦେବେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଅଲ୍ କିଏ ସେ ଅଫିସର କିଏ
ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଟେକ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ
ଟେକ୍
Tomorrow?
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ
ତୁମର
Lord Council for the state to take instruction as to why the authority, what is the authority? Tahsildar,
ତହସିଲଦାର ତିହିଡି
Tahsildar
ତିହିଡି
Tihidi,
ଭଦ୍ରକ ଗଣ୍ଡର
District Bhadrak has issued notice for eviction, even if the petitioner is having a, what is the order? The status quo order?
ଷ୍ଟାଟସ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦେଖିକି
20 ମସିହାରେ ହେଇଥିଲା
11 ରନିଂ ପେଜ 11
Even if the present petitioner was having enjoying a status quo order granted by this court on 13/2/2020. तो vacate କରିଥାନ୍ତେ High Court order ଦେଇଛି ତ vacate କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ନା ଆପଣ vacate ନ କରିକି ସେଟା ଆହୁରି
ଆପଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେବି
ହଁ।
ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ କୋ ଅର୍ଡର 2020 ରେ ହେଇଛି
ତ 20 ରେ ହେଲା
ଏ ଏଭିକ୍ସନ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ହେଇଛି 23 ରେ
2020 ହେଲା but continue କରୁଛି ନା
Ah.
that is not so you should have come
Your Lordship is
for
100% right.
vacating the status quo
Right.
so without vacating how could you give another notice
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିଛି 23 ରେ
କଣ ବୋଲି ପାସ୍ କଲା
ସେଇଟା ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ସେଟା ଜଣେ ଭଲେଣ୍ଟିୟର ସେଇଟା
ସେଟା ଆଉ କି ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲା
ହଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଏଭିକ୍ସନ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଗଲା
କନସିଡର ଦ
ସେ କାହା କଥା ମାନିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କନସିଡର ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଇଛି ସେଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ୱିଥଆଉଟ୍ ମେକିଂ ଅସ୍
Consider representation କରନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇଗଲା
ମୁଁ ତାକୁ
ସେଟା ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଇଛି ସେଥିରେ ତ କିଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଛି ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିନି
ଏବଂ
ନାଇଁ କହିଛି ନା ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍
ସେଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ
that is representation
ନାଇଁ ସେଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିଛି ଯେ ମାନୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଯେ ଲିଗାଲ ଇମ୍ପିଡିମେଣ୍ଟ ନଥିଲେ ଏଥିରେ ଅଛି
that is a representation only
ଏଥିରେ ଅଛି ଲିଗାଲ ଇମ୍ପିଡିମେଣ୍ଟ ବିକଜ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ କୋ ୱାଜ
Okay.
देयर
so the file a reply take instruction list the matter on Tuesday
till that no
till that
next one week
till that no prosecution action shall be taken next
next matter same man ମାନେ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦେଇ କୋର୍ଟ ସେଫ୍ଟି
ସାର୍ ଦିଆ ହବ ସାର୍ ତରବର କାହିଁ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ବି ମେସିନ ତ ନୁହଁ ନା ଆମେ ବି ହ୍ୟୁମାନ ବିଙ୍ଗ ସବୁ ଏବେ ଧାନ କଳରେ ପକେଇବେ ଧାନ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଚାଉଳ ଦରକାର ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ତ ୱେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ ଯେତେ ଏଭିକ୍ସନ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସେଇ ଦିନ ଦିଆ ହଉଛି ଆଉ ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କପି ନ କହିଲେ ବି ଦିଆ ହବ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ୱରି ହେଲା
Item number 2.
all matters wherever there is status quo order is required that is issued by 4 o'clock don't worry
ସବୁଦିନ
4 o'clock ସବୁଦିନ ଦିଆ ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଲେଟ୍ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲେ ଗୋଟେ ବି ଲେଟ୍ ହେଇନି ସବୁ ଦିଆ ହଉଛି they are also human beings they can't on your dictate they can't next
May I please, Your
Item number 2.
Lordship, since last 29 years, the petitioner is in possession of government land, my lord, and constructed a shop room and maintaining his livelihood. He was
constructed
shop room, my lord,
what is that
shop room,
shop
shop room.
okay shop okay.
For maintenance of the livelihood, he is running the shop room over the government land.
Hmm.
I was asked to file.
where is the
Annex-
government land
My lord, the annex 1.
Bisam Katak
Page, again. In response to this notice, my lord, I.
can you run a shop room
No.
on government land
Oh, my lord, but
Less
last 29 years is doing.
maybe 29 years of illegal is illegal even if
I filed my reply, my lord. Without giving me any opportunity of hearing, my lord, they passed the order.
they have given you notice
I
when
filed
did
reply.
they give you notice
Annex 1, page 9.
this is for eviction
Yes, first notice was, I was asked to file my reply, and they were required by.
show cause where is the show cause
That is Annex 9, my lord. Then I filed my so cause reply.
where is the show cause Annex 9 you don't have Annex 9 here
Then,
Where
my
is
lord,
Annex 9?
Lordship, Annex 2, the entire order, city have annex. On
Sir,
20th,
where is the show cause they have given to you
my lord, Annex 1, my lord.
Annex 1 the eviction notice no?
Now, my lord, this is first 7 days by delay.
না না তা পূর্ব নোটিস
মানে নিম্ন স্বাক্ষরিক
স্যার পূর্ব নোটিস এটা তো এভিকশন নোটিস
না এভিকশন টা হচ্ছে Annex 3
ନା ଏଇଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆପିୟର କରିବାକୁ
আপিল কুয়াইছে সিধে শোকস
27/3/2024
24 মেল within
Samad-
7 days I was
আপনি
asked
অ্যাপিয়ার করলে
appeal I filed my reply also
দেন
then my lord Lordship, page 12 On 20th July 2024, they passed the order, expiry order, without giving me any opportunity.
ଗଲେ ପରେ ଅପରଚୁନିଟି ଆଉ କଣ
ଆଉ ସେ ମତେ ଡାକିଲେନି କି
ଆଉ କଣ
ଶୁଣିଲେନି।
ଡାକିବେ ଆପଣ ଗଲେ ଆପଣ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନେସନ ଦେଲେ ତାପରେ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କଲେ
ମାନେ ପ୍ରେଜେନ୍ସ
ଆଉ ରେଗୁଲାର କୋର୍ଟ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଡାକିବେ ଥରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଡାକିଲେ ଆପଣ ଯାହା କହିଲେ ଶୁଣିଲେ କଲେ
ତାପରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା annex 3 has been passed with 30 days time given to
ହଁ ଠିକ ତ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଟାଇମ ତ ଠିକ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲା?
winter season मतलब livelihood
ହଁ ଲାଇଭଲିହୁଡ ବୋଲେ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନଥିଲେ ଇଏ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡରେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଦୋକାନ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲେ ଲାଇଭଲିହୁଡ କହିଲେ ହେଇଯିବ
last 29 years
ହେଇପାରେ 29 ଇୟର ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିଏ ଧରିଲେନି ବୋଲି ଏବେ ଧରିଲେ ଏବେ ନୂଆ ସରକାର ଆସିଛି ସେମାନେ ନୂଆ ଧରିବେ ଅଲଗା ସରକାର ଧରୁନଥିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
protect me at least for protect me.
so complexion of
I think appeal lies.
the governance also is important
But this is admittedly applicable under section 12.
so appeal କରନ୍ତୁ ନା
I may protected. I may protected till there.
since the order is applicable order let him file the appeal before the
Sub
collector
sub
sub-collector sorry, sub-collector Bisam Cutter subdivision
subdivision is one
Rayagada district
idea.
in the manifestation of by appellate authority.
One progress.
Next,
Item 3.
May,
three,
the petitioner is an encroacher, my lord.
Huh?
Petitioner is an encroacher.
encroacher.
Her father, my lord, her father occupied the land since 1975. And last encroachment proceeding was initiated in 2003, my lord. Show cause notice was issued, petitioner appeared, but no eviction notice was issued in Form K. And no further proceeding has been initiated till date. But however, on 16/7/2024, the concerned RI visited the spot and asked the petitioner to vacate the land at the instruction that as I have been instructed to communicate at the instance of the Tahsildar. So no fresh proceeding has been initiated, no eviction notice has been issued in this case. That is my case. Without following due process of law, they are trying
Orally
to...
କହିଲା
Hello?
orally କହିଲା ଯେ ଆପଣ
Yes.
orally କହିଲାଟା କଣ ମାନେ ଅଛି ତାର କିଛି
I have
legal
taken-
entity of oral order
Last encroachment proceeding was initiated
RI
in
କହିଦେଲା, ଆପଣ ଖାଲି
2003.
କରିଦେଲେ। କହିଲେ ଆପଣ ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ଅର୍ଡର କଣ କୋଉଟା ଆସିଛି ଦେଖେଇ
କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେବେ କେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟରେ ରହୁଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟରେ ଚାଷ କରୁଛି।
ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିଛନ୍ତି
No, my prayer is that without following,
ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜିଂ
I am challenging the,
ଅର୍ଡର against ଆସିଛନ୍ତି
no order has been passed.
Then କାହାକୁ
No, I am
state କରିବି
I only want that Tahsildar be
କେଉଁଟା
directed.
ଆଇଲା କେଉଁଟା ଆଇଲା ତମକୁ ତହସିଲଦାର ବୋଲି ସରି ଆରଆଇ ବୋଲି କହିଲା ଆପଣ ଖାଲି କରିଦେବେ ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ଖାଲି କରିଦେଲେ
No, only I want that
ଆପଣ
Tahsildar be,
ପଚାରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଯେ କଣ ଅଛି ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
no, only I want that Tahsildar be directed that without following due process of law, there shall be no eviction.
ଜାଣିନି
My lord,
procedure
may I
କଣ
suggest your
କାହିଁକି
lordship?
କାହିଁକି ପଚାରିବି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ କାହିଁକି ପଚାରିବି ଆପଣ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଅଲ୍ ଯୋଉ ଆସିଲା ଆରଆଇ ସେଟା କଲା କି ମୁଁ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍ ସିଓର ସେଟା ସତ କି ମିଛ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି
No,
Why should
specific,
I ask the question?
that is my specific case.
You don't have a case then. It is premature. Like the petition.
ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେବେ ମୋ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ଘରଟା ଲେଡିଟା
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡରେ
ଲେଡିଟା ଲେଡିଟା ଆଉ ତା ଝିଅଟା ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି।
File the present petition before this court.
Then I may be allowed to approach the Tahsildar.
Filing the question there, the action of the opposite party number 3, who has orally,
Yes.
which one 3 RI,
No, Tahsildar.
Tahsildar, who has through his through the RI
No, eviction notice. है ना,
what
appeal
the
कौन
present petitioner orally to vacate the land, failing which there shall be an eviction proceedings. However, there is no scrap of paper which has been filed along with the present petitioner seeking eviction of the sending in the eviction notice. Hence, this court cannot entertain the present writ petition as it is too premature. Number 1, if the petitioner is affected by the order, if the so-called oral order passed by the RI. The petitioner is directed to approach the Tahsildar within a week from today.
10 days.
କାହିଁକି କୋଉଠିକି ଏଇଟା?
କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି
କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି 10 days କଣ ପାଇଁ? ଆପଣ ଆଜି ତ ପଠେଇଦେବେ, ଆପଣ ସେ ପଇସା ଆସିକି ଦେଲେ ଯେ ଆପଣ ଦେବେ order।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ପଇସା ନାଇଁ ଯେ
ଆଜି
କୋରିଅରରେ
ସାଙ୍ଗେ
ପଠେଇଲେ 2 ଦିନ
ପଠେଇଦେବେ ଆଉ।
ଲାଗୁଛି
ହଁ।
କୋରିଅରରେ ପଠେଇଲେ 2 ଦିନ ଲାଗୁଛି
ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ବସ ରେ ପଳେଇ ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆମେ
ବସରେ
ଜାଣିନୁ କେମିତି ରିସିଭ ଆଇଲା ବେଳେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ରିସିଭ ପଇସା ଆସେ ସେଥିରେ।
ଲେଡିଟା ତ ସେ ଆସି ନେଇ
ଲେଡିଟା ତ କଣ ହେଇଗଲା,
ବସ
ବସ ରେ 7 ଦିନ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଲାଣି, ଆଉ 7 ଦିନ ଦେଲି ଟାଇମ ଆଉ କଣ। ଲେଡି
10 days
ଆଉ ଏମିତି କଥା ପାକିସ୍ତାନ ଗଲା ଭଳିଆ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି। କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି କଣ ଦୂର ହେଲାଣି କି? ପାଖଟା ଆଜି କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି no more even a backward district. It is one of the
ନାଇଁ that's true
Mr. is there from
ନା ମୁଁ ବି ଯାଇଛି
United District of Kalahandi.
ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଥର ଯାଇଛି ଯେ
He's from United District of Kalahandi, not now he's from Noapada. So anyway, so within 10 days, within 10 days,
Right.
and till that the matter is till petitioner approaches, sorry, till the matter is taken up by the Tahsildar, there shall not be any course of action.
Ma-
Hala?
Lords, let him approach under section 8A, your lordship.
Ah.
For settlement of.
no my application
It
for
is settlement by na.
my
Yes.
application for settlement
Ah.
is pending
So let
before
that
the
be decided,
Tahsildar.
madam.
Pending then.
No,
you
that
have
be decided.
ନାଇଁ, ତା ଦେହରେ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା ରିଟ୍ ଟା
Just ଟିକେ
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍, ରିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଏଇଟା କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବେଶୀ।
ନା ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି
କଥା କଥା କି ରିଟ୍ ଆଉ ଅଥରିଟି କୁଆଡେ ପଳେଇବେ, ମରିଯିବେ।
ମୁଁ
ଆପଣ
ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ
ରିଟ୍ କାହିଁ କରିବେ ସବୁ କଥାରେ ରିଟ୍?
ମୁଁ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍
ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଯାହା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। 8(1) pending, the application of section 8(1) pending before the Tahsildar, and the petitioner is directed to pursue the matter, and the Tahsildar shall pass an order immediately within 10 days of presentation of this order. ହେଲା, ବାକି
ଅର୍ଡରଟା
ଯାହା
ଭୁଲ
କରୁଛି।
ହେଇଯିବ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କହୁଛି 8(1) ଦିନ ଗୋଟେ OGLS ଆକ୍ଟ ରେ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ
ଯୁଆଡେ
ଦେଇଛି
ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ, ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବା ନାହିଁ। ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଆକ୍ଟରେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ଆକ୍ଟ କଥା ମୁଁ ବୁଝିବି। ଆଉ OGLS ଅଲଗା କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ, ଏଠି ନାହିଁ OGLS, ମୋ ପାଖରେ OGLS ନାହିଁ।
ନାଇଁ ସେଇ ବାବଦରେ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ଅଛି
ସେଠିକି, ତାହେଲେ OGLS ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଲେ ସେଠି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ, ସେଠିକି ଏଠି କାହିଁ ଆସିବେ?
ସେଇଟା 2016 ରୁ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା
Petitioner
ଦେଇଛି
seeks to withdraw the writ petition. Writ petition is allowed to be withdrawn. କର, ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ OGLS ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ। Next, OGLS ଫାଇଲ ଅଛି, ତ କାହିଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ପୁଣି?
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା 2016 ରୁ OGLS ଆକ୍ଟ ଲିଜ୍ ପାଇଁ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
ଥାଉ
ମୁଁ
pending।
ସେଇ କଥାଟା କହୁଛି
ତ
ତ
pending
ସେଇ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଟା ବି କନସିଡର ହବାକୁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଦେଲେ ବି
ମୁଁ
ମୋର
କାହିଁକି
ହେଇଯିବ
OGLS OPL ଅଛି, ମୁଁ
ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ
OGLS
ସେଇ ବାବଦରେ ଲେଖିକି ଦେବି that will-
କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ୱିଥଡ୍ର କରନ୍ତୁ, ସିଧା ୱିଥଡ୍ର କରନ୍ତୁ, ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଏବେ କଷ୍ଟ କରିବି। ୱିଥଡ୍ର କରନ୍ତୁ, ସିଧା କିଛି ଲେଖନି। ପ୍ରିମେଚର ଏକାଡେମିକଲି ରିପିଟିସନ ଡିସମିସ୍, ଖତମ। ଡିସମିସ୍, नो ସରି। ଏତେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ କଣ? ଏଠି OGLS ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି, ଏଠି appeal ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି, ଏଠି ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ସବୁ
ମୁଁ ଏଇଟିଆର ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କରିବି
ଅଧିକା ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ
ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ସରି ଏଇଟିଆର
ମୁଁ ତ
ଆପ୍ରୋଚ
ଡିସମିସ୍ କଲିନି ଆଉ। ଡିସମିସ୍ କର, ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଆୱେ ଡିସମିସ୍। you don't have case. ଆପଣ ତ କୋଉ ଅର୍ଡର କୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିଛନ୍ତି, କିଛି ଅର୍ଡର ନାହିଁ। ଓରାଲି ସେ କହିଦେଲା, ଆପଣ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରି ପଳେଇ ଆଇଲେ। ଓରାଲି କିଛି ତ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖେଇବେ, କୋଉ ଅର୍ଡର କୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଲା ତ ଦେଖିବେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଯଦି ଇସ୍ୟୁ
ଆସିଲେ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅର୍ଡର ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିଥିଲେ ତ ଆସିବେ। ପ୍ରିମେଚର ନଈ ନ ଦେଖୁନ ଲଙ୍ଗଳା, ନଈରେ ପାଣି।
3 is the eviction notice and 4 is the page 20.
You have been in custody since. Why, hello, sir. Please don't talk inside, sir. Please have mercy on us. We are disturbed. Everybody is disturbed. ଯେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରୁছে ତାକୁ ତ ଟିକେ ଦୟା କରନ୍ତୁ। ଏଠି କଣ ଏଟା କଣ ଇଏ ଗପ?
Eviction
So
notice.
this is a homestead land.
Homestead land one.
ଆପଣ ଘରେ ଘରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି।
Page
Then what happened?
notice ଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି eviction.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏଇଟା ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଶୋ କଜ୍?
ତ ପଛା ଦେଇନି, ଦେବୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଦେଇଥିବେ।
ଟାଇମ till then. Annex 4 page 20 ଟା eviction notice ଟା 26
Petition challenging the illegal adaptation of the order of the Tahsildar Mahakalpada initiating the encroachment case against the present petitioner. Today encroachment case number 129/2023-24 under section 9 co and kha, and trying to evict the petitioner from plot number 546/813 with an area of 0.020 decimal out of 0.0250. All Kisam Garwadi and plot number 534 with an area of 0.06. Our Ketara plot তিনটা আমার
I think that total blood 546 by 813 I would have 5534
আচ্ছা আর কাদের 6 তো টোটাল এরিয়া কেতে
10 ডিসমিল
10 ডিসমিল 10 ডিসমিল কেতে স্কয়ার ফিট হবে
10 ডিসমিল
অড়াই ঘন্টা মানে পাখাপাখি 6000 5000 স্কয়ার ফিট উপরে তো the petitioner petition for the summit that the petitioner has been in possession of this said land for the last 40 years and has constructed a
Thatched house.
thatched house with cement flooring. And he has the only dwelling unit to protect himself in the rainy season. You have approached to the authority?
Yeah, Tahsildar they should
Because eviction notice has been passed and that is challengeable in appeal under 12(1), Your Lordship.
Since the appeal of the order can be challenged under section 12(1). The petitioner is directed to challenge this appeal. This is challenge this order of eviction. Before the Tahsildar, sorry,
Sub-divisional
sub-collector,
officer, Your Lordship.
sub-collector
No, no,
Sub-collector Kendrapada. The petitioner to approach the sub-collector Kendrapada within 10 days from today. And the sub-collector shall take up the matter. Till the sub-collector takes up the matter, there shall not be possibility. Disposal.
Item 5.
Five.
5 मिला था फाइल मिस केस पर इंटरिम बेल
Yes,
Before my lord and friend start, if your lordship will remember, this is the case where father and son has been killed for the reason of doing black magics. And his son's tongue has been cut. This is the case. This is one of the accused.
group class between
This is one of the accused.
group class leading to death of two persons. Here my wife is suffering from serious ailment, that page number 2, and throughout in custody since 2021, almost 3 years have left. I filed a miss case for interim bail.
Yeah, what is his role?
Not specific that.
It's a group of people from the village. They dragged the fathers and sons from his house and killed them.
What is his role? Any specific role assigned?
That CD, I have to obtain the CD, it has come for the first time.
No specific allegation. Or there is a group class. Yeah, as your lordship.
Any role attributable to this man?
That I have to obtain the CD, my lord, because this is coming for the first time. So I have to obtain the CD.
Sir, miss case ka interim bail pe.
What happened?
Your lordship, I've given the miss case.
What happened, sir?
Your lordship, CD, I've given the
Kaun
medical
hai
certificate.
karo?
Your lordship.
It's a PID case for his wife, my lord.
Kaun hai?
PID, pelvic inflammatory disease.
Ano dekhiye.
I'm giving the number in connected case. That
IA file করছেন?
yeah.
File করছো।
नंबर ही नहीं करा। अब नंबर ही नहीं आई। अब बिना नंबर है ऑर्डर पास करो।
No. I'll file it.
Number to karan.
Your lordship,
अगर नंबर करा,
yeah, your lordship, keep it tomorrow.
let him get the CD.
No, I'm giving the connected number. Their entire CD has come in that case. I'm giving the number. Your lordship, yes, your lordship, keep it up tomorrow. My lord.
Tomorrow I'm not there.
Monday. then, my lord.
Tuesday.
Almost fag end of the trial. Almost
आलदा vote कर दूँ।
ଭଲ ତ ଖସିଯିବ କାହିଁକି?
Tuesday.
Monday था ना। आज फाइल का नंबर दीजिए, copy दीजिए.
Monday that's doubtful. That's why I'm saying Tuesday.
As your lordship.
That's what Tuesday is better.
As your lordship.
Next.
Item 6.
6.
20B2C of NDPS Act, 40 kg of contraband ganja has been recovered
We have been in
while
custody since
custody 30th April 2024.
April.
Cinemas 3.5,
कितने गंजा?
40 kg,
इसके लिए तो होगा नहीं।
3.5.
लंबा टाइम ना ले देगा। Unless you have spent 1 year something, 40 crore दे दीजिए। 40 एबे 2 मास में अप्रैल मास में
3.5.
3.5 months हम दो 40 crore दे दो सर। I'm dismissing. Let him be there for some more time.
Next month,
Will they start us up this way?
charge sheet is charge file.
Charge filing. What is the role attributable to this man?
While he was keeping sacks on 2 motorcycles, he was
Keeping?
sacks on bag guda
हाँ,
on 2 motorcycles.
कहाँ पे
The
रोक दिला?
the story is like that.
Story can be developed in a whatever way one can.
Excise people have got hold of.
Naturally, they will not, of course, they will catch. So what, I mean, he was the pillion rider.
No. They says near his house, 2 motorcycle was kept. While he was keeping sacks on the motorcycle, he was detained. From 2 motorcycles, 40 kg of ganja has been recovered.
For 2 motorcycles.
Yes.
That.
Kotle loko 2টা motorcycle 2টা motorcycle চলে যাইতো
Load করছিলাম।
কোচ
রাউন্ড তো আগে যদি না জানতো। Who district?
এটা সম্বলপুর
সম্বলপুর। সম্বলপুরে গাঁজা হচ্ছে। দেবগড় I can understand. সম্বলপুর
কেউটডিহি
Regali, yes.
that is Jharsuguda district. Must be Jharsuguda. Okay. Sorry. Let him be there for some more time.
next month.
Outside fresh come.
Rejection गुड़ा होनी जल्दी सकती है. Next month how I will move.
Kai Rocky will come. You file fresh, not a problem. The petitioner has arrested in connection with the person was successful. Trial court order ta?
That is it under Annexure 2, my lord. Page 10.
Then bar under law, section 37, bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act for release of the accused on bail unless the subject of the is fulfilled. Hence the bail. Okay, next.
Disposed of.
Dismiss, not dispose of. Dispose of, dismiss as dispose of. Dispose of and dismiss, sorry. Ulta kar diya. Next,
Item 7.
7,
May I please your lordship? This is the third journey of the present petitioner, my lord.
third journey. What are the first, second journey?
First, second
You're
rejected.
tired of the journey?
My lord, out of 39 charge sheeted witness, only 19
What is
witnesses.
the offense?
My lord, 302 and 201 of the IPC, my lord.
Here, what is your role?
My lord, the present petition, the role is, my lord, like that, there is no eyewitness to the occurrence. There is,
I'm asking, what is your role?
my lord, as per the prosecution allegation, this person is a priest and by putting stone, he killed this person.
Priest,
I-
priest मार दिया।
ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକ ମିଶିକି ପୂଜା କରୁଥିଲେ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କର।
ମାନେ କଣ? Human
ନାଇଁ, ପଥର ଅଛି।
sacrifice.
ପଥର ଛେଚି।
Human sacrifice.
No, my lord, not like
Priest
that.
କାଇଁ ମାରୁଛନ୍ତି? କଣ ପାଇଁ ମାଇଲା? It is the
My lord,
current
the story is like this, my lord.
story behind the story.
My lord, the deceased person's sons was killed by some of group of the peoples. Deceased person's son previously was killed by another group of people, my lord.
Okay.
To harm those group of people,
Badla.
the deceased went to the priest
Revenge.
and performed some pujas.
Hmm.
As no harm has occurred to them, then the deceased person went to the priest and abused the priest that nothing is coming out, what you are doing.
Oh.
Then the priest has called the deceased person and told the deceased person to go to a jungle to conduct a puja. There he killed him. This is the confession statement of the priest. And although
You are the priest.
my lord,
Men excellent.
only one accused.
My lord, there is only 4 depositions I received. There is other depositions which is inadvertently not come. So my lord, any other,
Wait for some more time.
my lord, already this is.
You are the man.
Why not already within this 4 years, the present
Maybe.
petitioner is inside custody? Why not any other, next week, any other date, let the depositions come, I go through the same, why not kindly praying for the same. Next week,
How many witnesses have been examined?
39.
39
Okay.
out of 450.
No, my lord, total 39 witness,
Out of how many have been examined?
19.
19.
19 in agent.
So you have to wait.
So let the depositions come next week, whatever your lordship pleases.
So deposition, is there any, I mean,
Well, there is no direct.
nobody has said
As per my senior said, well, basing on the confessional statement before the police, the present petitioner is inside.
only confession?
Okay.
And the seizure,
Seizure.
went to the spot and seized the path.
37.
ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଦି ଜଣ ସାଙ୍ଗ ହେଇକି ଗାଁରେ ବୁଲୁଥିଲେ.
Last scene. So-
There is a cordial relationship which might be last scene, there is a cordial relationship. ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଜଣକୁ ମାରିବି ସେ ମୋ ସହିତ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ବାଇକରେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ବସେଇକି ନେଇକି ଆସିବି ମତେ ମାରେ.
धोखे से तो हो सकता get the deposition.
Right.
2nd September.
Okay.
Next.
Item 8.
8.
The petitioner is dead.
I am to the petitioner, my lord.
Oh, that
On behalf of
yesterday
my
you
lord.
have mentioned.
Learned senior Mr. others.
So,
We have paid all.
We have, my lord, we have no instruction about the date.
what is the case about?
The petitioner was convicted. He was sentenced for 1 year, right? Then he was dismissed from service. So during his dismissal period, and then he appealed before this honorable court. 2014, he was acquitted.
What is the
Then
job? You are holding with what?
He was sub-inspector,
SI in Sherfield,
RPF.
RPF.
RPF. So there he was, while taking bribe, he was arrested, suspended, then he was dismissed, and he appealed before this honorable court, he was
He-
acquitted.
He has been, what is this petition for?
This petition, he has prayed for promotion. Promotion and other service benefits, which we have already paid, and I have annexed that and
You have paid everything.
we have paid. As per
You
our.
have given promotion also.
Yes, sir.
You have given promotion also.
Promotion, he was, it was in sealed cover. So after his acquittal on benefit of doubt, that was, he was promoted to the post of inspector.
Hmm.
And all that service benefits of the post of inspector, he has already been paid. So that, but in the meantime, he is dead. Since
Sir,
2021.
Nothing remains.
Nothing remains, but like,
If you want to take any
Instruction, my lord, to issue.
let him take it.
I'm serving copy of for this, that clerk refused to accept this petitions. I'm serving the copy of the counter and I also.
You take a section and take a section. If everything has been paid, then let the matter be closed. Unnecessary why we kept pending. No?
Your lordship, my lord. To issue.
Take a section. I'm fixing on 22nd. 22nd. Next.
Item number 10.
Then
10, my lord, I am appealing for the opposite party. On the last occasion, my lordship is directed to take instruction for the house rent allowance to be given or not. My lord, I haven't received the instruction. I prayed 2 weeks time, my lord.
how many days will take for time for instruction, madam? This is a
My
matter
lord,
pertaining to year 2011 and you are again asking for 2 weeks time.
No, there is 15 of office as to which they haven't given.
Whatever
me
may
the
be, so
instruction.
2011 matter, 13 years have already been passed. Okay, 1,000 rupees shall be paid by the opposite party, OP, sorry, Tata OPs.
OPTCL.
TP?
OPTCL.
for seeking unnecessary adjournment in a matter of 2011.
The first time I have
1,000
taken the
rupees
adjournment, my
देना
lord,
पड़ेगा.
on the,
You have to pay 1,000 rupees. The shared amount shall be paid to the Orissa High Court Bar Association. एवं तो Bar Council को भी pay करिए पड़ेगा. 750 rupees कर देना.
Decide कर दिल्ली decide कर देला 600 टका.
समस्ते को आरंभ करने हमारे इधर आरंभ करने आदि पिला
अगर आरंभ
करो 750 रे 750 टका रे.
हां 600 टका दिल्ली announce करते.
Delhi already they started, not only they have started taking 1,000 rupees to the Orissa High Court Bar Association as cost for not taking instruction on the matter.
no, I have already intimated them. I need my
No,
only
and,
2 weeks time, my lord, because the
Yeah.
HRD department has not given the instruction, my lord, please.
That's why they should pay. Department will pay. Why are you worried? बहुत पैसा अछि तांगर 1000 टका देले तांगर कोन होबो किछि असुविधा नै हाथ के मैल बराबर.
No, sir, rent allowance, my lord, we have already said in our counter that
Whatever, but
rent allowance
this is
will not be
a
given.
2011 matter. You should have taken instruction. वो काट दे but take instruction on the next date 22nd. Next
Please do like that.
Item 11.
22nd, don't take further time.
Yes,
Second,
my lord, yes, my
next time then I will not speak.
21.
21. How 21? Next.
Lordship, in item 11, the matter has become infructuous. I will continue.
Item 11, the matter. Nada.
Pallavi Mahanti.
On behalf of
S.K. Dar.
give a in memo. Next.
12.
Next.
Item 12, Lordship, just have this. In discussion with my friend.
This is the contract labor matter, my lord.
Lordship, in fact, they are working since last 22 years, Lordship. And by virtue of this interim order now, most of the Lordship, the petitioners by 2 to 3 years, they will return from service. So because of this interim order, we are working. Just we are finding.
Lord, I must clarify, my lord, the interim order has been vacated from 3/4/2019.
No.
Lordship sees the order sheet.
Yeah, that's true.
3/4/2019, they have, the interim order has been vacated. Let me complete, sir. And my lord, now what has happened is UPL, who was the contractor, is no more the contractor. There is a new contractor. UPL has already dispensed with their
You are
services.
working under a contractor.
Under a contractor.
Then how can they be
That's my whole point.
No, my humble submission, Lordship.
Sir,
Because
you are working under a contractor. How can you be regular?
no, I'm not on that. I convinced on a particular point, Lordship, because Lordship, we are working since day one.
You may be working
No,
from
now
day
that's
one,
it.
sir, but your nature of job doesn't warrant any kind of regulation.
That's true, Lordship. We have
Not only that, my lord, the initial appointment order with
That's
the
true, that's true.
contractor is also temporary in nature.
That's true, but Lordship, what was my contention in the application? My contention, Lordship, we are performing same work as like as
Maybe
others.
performing
I'm-
same work doesn't
Then-
warrant that you should be regularized. sir.
Today I'm not arguing, Lordship. Today I'm not arguing. Lordship, what we have discussed.
Today I am finishing it.
No, Lordship, kindly.
I will not keep it for.
No, Lordship, only we have already discussed. Lordship, kindly keep it to 9th.
No,
August.
I am not keeping
No.
it. No, you have to argue it.
No, Lordship, in fact.
2011 matter, I don't want to.
No, Lordship, that's true. But Lordship,
You please argue the matter.
can you see the plight of the petitioners, Lordship? Well,
Right, I know that, but what can be done?
but
You are working under a contractor and
that's true. I'll satisfy.
Then-
I'll convince the Lordship.
समस्त contractor under काम करो मतलब हमको regularize
No, matter is not like that, Lordship. I'll convince them.
See the prayer in the
You are for the.
That's true.
I am for the erstwhile contractor, OP number 3. Now, my lord, may going to the question of maintainability of this rate.
That,
My lord, may see the prayer at page 8.
but my humble submission, Lordship, I am praying for time, Lordship. I am praying for only short adjournment.
Your relief is against whom? Against the contractor.
No, that's true. I'll
Against the contractor.
No, Lordship.
And then
Only against the employer, Lordship. Because I'm challenging a notification.
now argue
Because-
this. We'll finish it. Don't.
No, Lordship.
No.
My
I don't want to keep it further.
no, Lordship. Kindly,
See,
Lordship.
नहीं
Lordship, kindly. Arthur, mo prepare it. They took time.
2011
No,
में
no.
40
You took time.
I was, Lordship, I was ready to argue, but that took time.
Anyway, now you
No,
are, you are
no,
always ready to argue. argue now.
Today I am not ready because
You are- now you are.
Man, today Lordship, the difficulty is Lordship.
किछि नहीं
Today जो कोर्ट में प्रिपेयर है कि मैं से कोर्ट है
ए प्रिपेयर कर ले भी
नहीं
किछि
Lordship, let it be. Let it be any day, Lordship.
5 दिन प्रिपेयर
Lordship, kindly say,
यही सेम रिजल्ट
I know Lordship very, I am before very.
Law is
concerned
no more
Lordship.
res integra. Law is already
So
settled.
Lordship, kindly, our situation, last evening, Lordship, they had come to me and they have given certain documents because if the petition will
Sir,
go,
whatever
No, no,
document they might have given to you,
no Lordship,
my decision will be the same.
Lordship, but
Even if you argue for 3
but
hours, 3
I'll
days.
try my best to Lordship cure out the doubts, Lordship. Only I'll try my best.
No,
Lordship,
you
because
are-
otherwise in other case, Lordship,
I'm asking.
I never used to take time, Lordship. I am ready.
This is nothing there.
Yeah,
I don't know why.
but Lordship, I will try my
Then
best.
I'll pass order on my own. If
No,
you
no,
are
Lordship.
arguing.
Lordship, something is that
किछि नहीं
any date, Lordship, fix.
किछि नहीं
I will argue for
Eta-
only 10 minutes.
one
Lordship.
page रे वो सार
No,
देगा
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି, Lordship.
कौन पे लिख
But I will argue only for 10 minutes, Lordship. only-
10 minutes का आयु करवे
No, Lordship, I'll try my best. Lordship, no, Lordship, is the.
private
No,
contractor
Lordship, have to correct. Law is well settled, but some things, Lordship.
law is not well settled in this field. Law is not well settled.
Then Lordship, I'll argue, but Lordship, I'll convince you,
Law
Lordship.
is not well settled
Then-
and
Then Lordship, I'll try my best to convince you, Lordship. Only any day, Lordship. I have taken consent, he is ready,
subject
Lordship.
to payment of rupees
We have discussed, Lordship.
subject to payment of rupees 1,000 rupees.
I don't mind, Lordship. I
You
pay
okay,
on my pocket.
No. Boy. You just you will donate a book to the library.
Let's say-
The book I am telling you.
Yes.
The name of the book is the role of legal aid in India by Justice S. Murali.
Lordship. Grateful, Lordship.
Very-
Okay, that book is. And
I-
publisher is LexisNexis.
Lordship.
Recently, it's just come out recently.
Not recently. Old book.
1 year ago or something.
No. Lordship. Grateful, Lordship.
Lordship, maybe kindly fix a date.
9th August.
9th August.
September, 9th September.
Point in date.
ना मैं डिस्कस करते हैं 9th September also
21st. Allah.
21st
It is made clear that no further adjournment shall be granted. ଆଉ ସେଦିନ ମତେ ବହିଟା ଦେଖେଇବେ
ना 25 September
ସେଦିନ ମତେ ବହିଟା ଆଣିକି
September or August?
September ना
ନହେଲେ
August,
ଯଦି ସେ ବହି ନ ମିଳିବ
September
in case that book is not available,
Lordship
in case that book is not available, you give 3 BNS copy to the library.
Lordship that
AIR publishing.
Lordship that order
Lordship, have it on 21st of August.
no,
Lord.
September
So both
9th
लंबा है जो 21st
लंबा
September.
August.
August.
August में cost बेसी ड्यूरेशन पे cost बेसी September हो that
Cost कितने सस्ता
ना पैसा में I'm not
you have
they are not giving a single pile
I
ता चाहिए दरमा ही दूना दे
ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି ସାର୍ ଜାଣିବେ ନା।
दरमा भी नहीं
wanted to
ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି?
bigger book but anyway.
लेकिन लोला I'll contact
I'm scaring.
I'll this is August
21st August.
sorry September
नहीं काई सेप्टेम्बर
August to freedom ये टाइम में
क्लाइंट अपन को मुक्ति भेजिए
May I suggest in a lighter way? My friend has already done his job. 13 years he has.
Yeah, the matter has gone on 13 years. So
13 years they have enjoyed.
that's why I'm more serious because I had 2 to 3 years left that is my entire
enjoying because
Yes.
because you interim model.
yes Lord
So you have already enjoyed.
how the 3 ବର୍ଷ ରହିଲା ଯଦି lordship that
13 years they
ଆଉ
have
2 ବର୍ଷ ଯଦି continue କରିଦେଲେ ବି କାମ ସରିଗଲା କଣ service
Next.
21st, deeply.
Next. ये दे दे
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦି ବହି ଦେଇଦି
बॉय ऑर्डर
ଦରକାର ହେଲେ contribute grateful
नेक्स्ट
Item 13.
ଅଛି entry mode
May I please?
ଅଛି lordship kindly say last order
Last order भी नहीं है।
नहीं last order
भी नहीं
ना last order नथिबो lordship kindly say status quo
9/4/21 ରୁ ଆଗେ extend ହେଇନି है।
ନା ନା status quo ଟା ଅଛି
नहीं status को नहीं entry mode extend ହେଇନି।
कंटिन्यू कर चुके
Continue
ସେ continue କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
आठ
The
दस
new
दिन
contract
contract
they are continue.
डोंट वरी
Lordship.
May I please, my lord?
Item 13.
My lord, it's a, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, initially, my lord, he was appointed as a community organizer in the Kendrapada municipality on ad hoc basis against a regular sanctions post. On
कम्युनिटी ऑर्गेनाइजर Regular sanction post.
Again, it is there. My lord,
Mr. Moore, is it a
Lordship-
regular sanction post? Or a post under some scheme?
my lord, annexure three, my
Much
lord,
under a community organization must be under some. scheme.
Volunteer.
Must be under some scheme. That can't be a
But-
regular post. Sir.
my lord, the then the executive officer has wrote several letters.
I am not on that.
My lord.
First, let
Yes,
us
yes.
find out
Lordship-
whether it is
Lordship,
a regular
annexure three.
post or a post under some scheme.
On the scheme. My lord, Lordship, see the annexure three.
Yes, Your Lord.
अच्छा ये कोई scheme
Only-
under आशी ना बेटा
Your Lordship, that her application has been rejected by the government since 2009.
ए सर टिके अटकन मु जाने के चाहूँ जी
आगे,
ये post टा actually regular post ना
Regular, regular जन ଥିଲେ ତାର, ସେ post.
regular post
1992, one
Because of
Ritupurna,
stopgap arrangement, she was appointed.
Oh.
Thereafter, she was retired since 2009.
तो फिर आप कौन रहेगा
Pray-
no,
praying for
2009, my
regular-
lord.
रिटायर कला पर
Retired कला
Appointed.
पर, only 2009 the government has rejected her claim, and that order has never
It
been
is
challenged.
challenge, it is challenge.
It has never been
Still
challenged.
challenged.
Your Lordship may see the prayer.
Let's see the para 21, 20.
But prayer. Your Lordship may see-
prayer,
आप कोर्ट प्रेयर चैलेंज पे से
again,
Yes, prayer, Your Lordship.
my lord, let's see my para 20. I have specifically mentioned that.
नो प्रेयर तो जीवन
Prayer,
का
my
काम
lord,
है।
my lord, my lord, prayer,
Prayer
prayer it is not there.
Prayer नहीं
No, my lord, but it can be alluded, my lord. Only thing is, my lord, lordship see, what I'm lordship see.
You have already retired. What?
In the meantime, my lord, I have challenged that order before
I
the
am
honor.
not granting any relief, sir. Sorry.
My lord, see, from 15 years, my lord, uninterruptedly,
You might have done.
and against a, why I'm saying is against a sanction.
Stop gap arrangement रे काम कल
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ସାର୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ
43
କାହିଁକି
ବର୍ଷରେ
ଗୋଟେ
appointment
ମିନିଟ୍
ପାଇଲେ stop gap.
ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ ମାଇଲା
2009 ରୁ retirement କଲେଣି, I have given my counter.
The petitioner
agent.
is
and the executive officer
in
himself.
the office of municipality Kendrapada, having a qualification of BSc B.Ed with MA in home science, engage herself in social activities, especially towards the upliftment of the downtrodden people. Wow, wow.
Those certificates I have given, my lord. Uninterruptedly, my lord says,
So, like, the petitioner joined as this is. हमको कौन दिले एटा ଗୋଟେ प्रोग्राम सर एटा
मतलब-
प्रोग्राम आपन को जणा नहीं
ନାଇଁ sir, clear ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
सर लेखी छथि आपण
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କାହିଁ କହୁଛି ସାର୍ ଲର୍ଡସିପ
This is a basic program being implemented with the help of UNICEF collaboration, and she has been training as RCB housewife and balwadi teachers
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଟିକେ annexure 12 ଟା ଦେଖିବେ
government post
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ annexure 12 ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉଥିରେ କି prior to me one ରିତୁପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣା ମହାନ୍ତି
थांतु से पोस्ट केबे रेगुलर नाही
Sir, regular ହେଇଛି ବା।
जब लाइक आंगनवाड़ी
ସାର୍ ରେଗୁଲାର କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କରିଛି ସାର୍
ମୋ କଥା
ସାର୍
This
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
is a post like Anganwadi post. There is
ଆଜ୍ଞା
no
that
post
has been
like that.
regularized and by
This is like an Anganwadi post.
virtue of
There
the
is no
court of the
regulation.
Hon'Ble court certain matter district ରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
Okay.
regularize
Okay,
କରାଯାଇଛି
dismiss. I'm
ଆଜ୍ଞା
not hearing.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଟିକେ
I've already heard.
clearly sir ଆଜ୍ଞା annexure 12 ରେ ସେଇଟା regularize ହେଇଛି before me the person
ଆପଣ retired କେବେଠୁ କରିସାରିଲେଣି?
2009 I have retired my lord 31st. Prior to that, my lord, I am approaching. Prior to that, I am approaching. Okay, prior to that, I am approaching. And Lordship knows that Umadevi's case, para 44, that is.
ଏଟା ପୋଷ୍ଟଟା କଣ କୋଉଠି ରେଗୁଲାର ଯାଇଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
12 ରେ ଆସିଲେ ପଢିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା annexure 12 annexure 12 ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
undersigned bailing with the ad hoc appointment order
ଆଜ୍ଞା ତା ପରଟା ତା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତା ପର
temporary and can
Sir,
be terminated.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ତା ପର ପୃଷ୍ଠା ସାର୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
କଣ ତାର କଣ?
21st December 1992 same ରିତୁପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣା ମହାନ୍ତି Lordship C.
Who is that? You are.
ନାଇଁ prior to me the person who has joined prior to me she was regularized and she left the job. এটা মানে 21st September 1992
এই পোস্ট তো রেগুলার পোস্ট রেগুলারাইজ কোড হইলে
আগে এটা ହେଇଛନ୍ତି sir and
সিস্টেমেটিক পোস্ট
and also the counter ରେ my lord
পড়ল তো সেটা পড়েই
আগে,
পড়ে
okay,
কাউন্টার
sir.
পড়েলে গুটে ফাଳେ কই ফাଳେ পড়ে যাଉଛନ୍ତି সেটা পড়ে মধ্যে ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି ରେଗୁଲାରାଇଜ ଏମିତି ଭକୁଆ ବନେଇଲେ ହବନି I am not going to be fooled by you. କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ରେଗୁଲାର କରାଇଛି କୋଉଠି ପଢିଲେ ଦେଖୁନା
on the recommendation of the
କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
selection board
ହଁ।
constituted under the rule 4 of the Orissa
Ah.
local fund rules amendment rules 1992 read with the department of notification letter Digi the following candidates are selected as community organizers and allotted as such to the urban local bodies
Hmm.
mentioned against each appointment in the scale of such and such with DN allowances and admissible to the post
Code regularly লেখা আছে স্যার?
until further us.
আচ্ছা অঙ্গনবাড়িরে বি এমতি অন যে অর্ডার পাস হইলে নাই অঙ্গনবাড়ি কোন
Again, from sir, I would.
just hold
Sir, I
on,
would.
don't go don't be so
Again.
fast. Anganwadi also they appoint like this.
Again.
So that doesn't mean that is a regular post. It is a schematic post.
Schematic
There is
post.
Some UNICEF organization has floated this scheme.
Again.
For that some volunteers are engaged
Again.
and they are given some amount. It doesn't make you claim for the regular post. What are you saying?
Again, sir, then did an executive sir, my lord.
স্যার মধ্যে কোনটা বন্ধু এটা কোড টাইপের পোস্ট রেগুলার পোস্ট সিমেট্রিক পোস্ট আমরা ক্লিয়ার করন দোয়ানি
Schematic, it's a Ritupurna Mahanti.
আইয়া সে ঋতুপর্ণা মহান্তি ছাড়া তো মতে সেদের কিছু লেনা
Thereafter,
জানা নেই
she was, in this stopgap arrangement, she was
না না
appointed and
কোনি
thereafter she
সে
was
পচারছি পোস্ট নেচার অফ দি পোস্ট স্যার আপন মিউনিসিপালিটি রিপেয়ার করছেন আপন নেচার
This
পোস্ট
is the order passed by the government against that.
কোনি সে কথা I am asking, is it a regular post under the municipal establishment or a post that is, which is, I mean, being continued by, sorry, this is recruited for the purpose of the one UNICEF projects. That money is given by the UNICEF, like this Anganwadi, money is given by World Bank.
Because of the government order, the person was appointed.
Mote
Thereafter,
post scheme that co scheme re paise the kon to mote. Abar negi asandu municipality to take instruction regarding the nature of the post, whether the post was a cadre post or a schematic post under the UNICEF. Abar ani asan seta ago no dekhi alga
Cadre post again, municipality act achi.
actor achi
Again.
appointment
Again.
नहीं नहीं एक्टर नो दैट्स व्हाई आई वांटेड टू नो पर नेचर पोस्ट तो जानू तू देखो तो एक्टर बोल लगा जे
appointed as community organizer under the centrally sponsored plan scheme of EU
427 re
Yes, please.
achi.
program in
No
Canada.
person be shall be appointed in the post of the council lekha ichi, clearly lekha ichi municipal engineer supervisors.
अपन को नाटक बंदो अपन
Again, it lekha ichi community organizer. Then what will the qualifications of the community organizer? A degree in social work, social science, or graduate in sociology, psychology, or home science, or age may be prescribed from time to time.
कैडर पोस्ट
Again.
कौन
And the executive officer, my lord, at that time, I am to bring those documents, my lord. Executive officer, the then executive officer, he wrote to the government.
that's a government road red चला जा अपन regular
No, sir, regular nahi. He wrote to the government and saying that it's a regular vacant post, he was appointed.
okay you have filed the reply
I have filed the reply.
you have filed the rejoinder
My lord, I have not filed a rejoinder.
क्या पे फाइल करी
No, sir, good.
ଆଉ ଚାର ବର୍ଷ ଗଲା ପରେ
No, sir, କାହିଁକି
ଏ ଲୋକ ତ ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରି
ନାଇଁ sir, କଥା ହେଲା ଯେ I have got one
କଥା ହେଲା
document.
ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ନା
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କରିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
yes or no
Yes, sir.
yes then file it within
Yes,
3 days okay
3 days with sir,
release the matter on 21st ହେଲା
ଆଉ 10 ଦିନ କାହିଁକି ନା
3 days କହିଲେ
ନା ନା ସେ lady
sir 3 days କହିଲେ 21 ତାରିଖ ଲଗେଇଲି ହେଲା ନି ଫାଇଲ ଟାଇମ
ଆଜ୍ଞା କାରଣ in the meantime certain
meantime
district
କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
community organ has been regularized.
I mean time କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା document ଦେଇ file କରିବି
close the issue
ଆଜ୍ଞା
release the matter for final hearing on 21st ହେଲା both the parties to give a written note of submission
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହେଲା
Government is not filed.
Government
Government is
ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ
government file करने की
Government order has been challenged,
let the government
not even challenged,
ठीक है फाइल करନ୍ତୁ
unless the government sanction, no one can be done.
what is the matter about
permission also. What is small note of submission they got place for that will make everything clear. That is, the lordship will kindly find from the list, written note of submission is there, and just place it. Only factual sequence.
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
Yes, my lord. Is
Ah,
notice
I got it.
last one.
What is the matter about?
It's land was acquired. Your lordship will see from annexure 1 at page 13, 4 জন রহিলে ঈশ্বর, জীবন, দেব, লক্ষ্মীধর। এই 4 জনের ভিতରୁ ସେ ଈଶ୍ୱର ଜୀବନଙ୍କର ଦେଇ ଦେଇছে ଦେବ ଏଇ ଅନବିଲ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟକୁ ଆସିଲେ। WPC
କଣ ଦେଇବି?
job in lieu of attribution.
ସେଇ ତ ପଚାରୁଛି.
I'm sorry.
So this is basically the land honesty, they got the job.
ସେଠି ଦେବ came before reasonable court in a writ petition. There was heir, that is WPC number 15543 of 2010. While dealing with the matter, reasonable court.
I have recently dismissed one case on the similar ground.
I have given
But clarify.
also a note of submission. I have also
I
given.
think the same matter where you are appearing.
Maybe.
One matter, there the similar kind of case where he was, that case was dismissed in fact, in your favor.
ମୁଁ ସେଟା clarify କରିଥିଲି. Let me just finish my submission.
Now you are the land honesty.
Land honesty ଯୋଉଟା 4 ଜଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ ମୁଁ ଜଣଙ୍କର heirs. Paragraph 2 of the judgment, ଏଇ judgment ଟା ବି ମୁଁ
ଜଣଙ୍କର heir ଆପଣ, ତାପରେ କଣ ହେଲା?
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 15543 of 2010 ଟିକେ ସେଟା produce କରନ୍ତୁ, ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲି। ଯେ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ produce କରୁଛି your lordship.
କଣ?
Judgment relating to the co-owner. ତା ଭିତରେ ଥିବ, ସେ brief ରେ ଦେଖିଲେ better copy ଟା ଥିଲା ବୋଧେ। ସେ ନଥିବ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଦେବି।
ଆପଣ issued ଆଉ କୁହନ୍ତୁ, ପରେ ଯିବା judgment କୁ। ଆପଣ judgment
ଦେଲେ ଅନ୍ୟ 3 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଲେ, ମତେ ଡାକିଲେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ପାଇଁ, ତାପରେ ଦେଲେନି, ଆଉ କିଛି କଲେନି। ଦେନ୍ ଆଇ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେଡ, ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ ଗୋଟେ କମିଟି ବସେଇଛୁ, କମିଟିରେ ଆମେ ଡିସାଇଡ କରିବୁ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଡିସନାଲ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେହେତୁ ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି ଗେଟ୍ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଆଟ୍ ଏ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଏରିଆ, ସୋ ସେ ଏରିଆରେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଆଭେଲେବଲ ନାହିଁ, ଆମେ ଦବୁନି। During the pendency of this writ petition, Dismissal Court in order dated 18/7/2022 and 13/9/2023 was pleased to take note of the event. Events are other.
Sir, taking note of the event doesn't help. It is neither here nor there. Only tell me if a particular positive order has been passed, then
Positive order has been passed.
only representation ଯାଅ disposal ହେବ,
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି, ମୁଁ ଡିଟେଲ ଲାଇନରେ କହିଦେବି ସବୁଟା। ସେଇ ରିଟରେ ଯୋଉ ଆଲାଓ ହେଲା ଦେବଫେର ହଜାରନ।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ କହିବା ମାନେ ଆପଣ one of the land honesty, right? Legal heir of the land honesty. Other land honesty got and you have not got. That is what
Other land honesty ଖାଲି ପାଇଲେନି। ଏଇ pendency of this writ petition, since they oppose this writ petition, ସେମାନେ ଦିଟା belated writ appeal file kale. Those writ appeals were dismissed on the ground of limitation, only with the observation that this should not be precedent for other cases. But so far as these cases concerned, especially flow from that case, it may not be precedent for other cases. Those writ appeals have been dismissed. Now, a writ petition to decided to 15543 of 2010. Well, this is a paragraph. I'll bring it to a lordship's notice. The lordship kindly turn to paragraph 2. Only first 4-5 lines.
କୋଉଟା ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
ଏଇନି ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ କଲି ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଲେ ଆପଣ କୋର୍ଟ ମାଷ୍ଟର ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ରେଫରେନ୍ସ।
ଅଫିସ ଅର୍ଡରଟା?
ନାଇଁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ WPC 15543 ଦେଲେ କି 15543 of 2010 ସେଇ ବ୍ରିଫ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି। ନହେଲେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିଥିଲି କିପରି ଲର୍ଡ।
ଏଇଟା
Paragraph 2. The short fact of the case in hand is that Mahanadi Coalfields Limited is a subsidiary of so-and-so, a wholly owned government so-and-so having its registered office.
ସେଗୁଡା କାଇଁ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି, ଯୋଉଟା main line ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି?
The father of the petitioner, namely Deva Pradhan, was the owner of the land measuring so-and-so area, along with Ishwar Pradhan, Jiban Pradhan, Lakshmidhar Pradhan. ମୁଁ ହଉଛି ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀଧର ପ୍ରଧାନଙ୍କ heir. ଅନ୍ୟ 3 ଜଣଙ୍କର ପାଇସା ଅଛନ୍ତି। Then your lordship may kindly come to page 13, your lordship. Page 13. May I just place it, ma'am? Paragraph 8. On perusal of the above mentioned pleadings, it is
Page
made
13
clear.
କାହାର page 13 ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
এটা ଦେବର କୋନର ସେଇ ପଟ୍ଟା ଦେଖେଇ
Page 13 repetition ର?
ନା ନା ଏଇ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଯୋଉଟାର ଅର୍ଡରଟାର paragraph
ଏଇ ଛୋଟ ଅର୍ଡର କୋଉ ଅର୍ଡର ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାହେଲେ ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ଦଉଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ବୋଧେ ରେକର୍ଡ ଥିବ ମୁଁ ବାହାର କରିଦେଇ ପାରିବି ମୁଁ ଆଉଥରେ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିଦଉଛି ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ଦେଖେଇଲି ପଟ୍ଟାରେ 4 ଜଣ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ ଏମାନେ ହେଲେ ଦେବ ପ୍ରଧାନଙ୍କ ଏୟାର ତାଙ୍କର ଆଗ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଦେଖିବାର paragraph 2 ରୁ ପଢିବାର କାରଣ ହଉଛି ସେ 4 ଲାଇନ ଯେ ସେଠି ମେନସନ ହେଲା paragraph 2 page 2 fourth line the father of the petitioners namely Deva Pradhan was the owner of the land measuring so and so in
ଏ
more than
ବିମଳ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ପ୍ରଧାନ ଏଟା କିଏ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଟା କିଏ? ବିମଳ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ପ୍ରଧାନ ଟା କିଏ?
ସେଟା
ଏଟା କିଏ ଏ ଲୋକଟା?
ବିମଳ ହେଲେ ଏଇ ଦେବଙ୍କ ଏୟାର ଦେବଙ୍କର ଦେବ ଯୋଉ ଦେବଙ୍କର ଏୟାର
That I have
ମୁଁ
dealt in
ପ୍ଲେସ୍
just a
କରିବି
second.
ନା କଣ
ନା ମୁଁ କହିଲି ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିବାକୁ ମନା କଲ ନା କଣ?
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ପ୍ଲେସ୍ କରୁଛି
ଆରେ ମୁଁ କଣ I have also dealt that in my
ଆଉ
counter.
ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଦେଖେଇବି ସେ କାଉଣ୍ଟରେ କଣ କହିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ସେ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ରେ କୋଟ କରିବି and the father of the petitioner ଏଠି ଭୁଲ ହେଲେ ଦେବ was the owner of so and so area along with ଈଶ୍ୱର ଜୀବନ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀଧର ଏ ଯୋଉ ଈଶ୍ୱର ଜୀବନ ଦେବ ଆଙ୍କର ଏୟାର ମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେ ଚାକିରି ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ 2019 ରେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଚାକିରି ବି ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀଧରଙ୍କର ଏୟାର ହଉଛନ୍ତି before your lordship then your lordship may kindly come to
So your influences the other land houses
Yes.
there have got and you have not,
They are
you
not
have
there.
not
ସେତିକି
got.
ଖାଲି ନୁହେଁ
Just let's come
ଆଜ୍ଞା
to the एकदम 2 ମିନିଟ ସରିବ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଲମ୍ବି ଲମ୍ବି ଚଲେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦିଆଗଲାନି?
ମତେ ବି ଦେଲେନି ଯୋଉ
କଣ ପାଇଁ
ସିଏ
ଦିଆଗଲା?
କହୁଛନ୍ତି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଆଡିସନାଲ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ ନାହିଁ this honorable court while dealing with in this petition was pleased to observe non-availability of post cannot be a ground which my learned senior has quoted in his counter also ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଦି ଲାଇନ ଖାଲି ପ୍ଲେସ୍ କରିଦିଏ
ସେ judgment କୁ ମୁଁ counter ରେ refer
ପ୍ଲେସ୍ କରିବି
କରିବି।
ପୁଣି ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଲାଇନ
No, ବାବା ତମେ କର please don't say me that. You do it.
ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ତାପରେ
Place it.
ଲାଗିବେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ
ଲାଗୁନି।
ପ୍ଲେସ୍ କରୁଛି ଆସିଛି କରୁଛି ମୁଁ କରିବି
କୋର୍ଟ ପଚାରିଲେ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ତୁ କର।
I had
page
some
13
doubt. I wanted to clarify my doubt.
ନା ପେଜ 13 ରେ paragraph 8 ରେ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି 4 ଲାଇନ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ କରିବି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ paragraph 11 ରୁ 2 ଲାଇନ
ସାର୍ ପ୍ୟାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ବୁଝାନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆଗ ଆପଣ ଆଗ ସେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଧରି ପକାନ୍ତୁ
ନା ମୁଁ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଧରୁନି ମୁଁ ତ
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ
ନୋଟଟା
ମତେ
ପ୍ଲେସ୍
ଦରକାର
କରୁଛି
I want to understand the fact
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କଣ ପାଇଁ why this person was not given why the other person have given that I want to know
my lord
if that is not matter will be closed in 2 minutes
my lord
unnecessary
your
reading so
lordship will
many things
kindly
not
see
required.
my lord they called me for interview under annexure
They called for interview then what happened?
then what they say my lord your lordship
What happened in the interview?
they asked me to appear I appeared
You appeared then?
thereafter no communication then I represented again they said we have placed it for the committee for consideration
They are not they don't communicate generally they put there in the notice board.
ତାପରେ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି annexure 7 page 25 of the report
We'll go to the development
ସେମାନେ
then
development ରେ କହିଲେ
your name didn't find place in the this merit list
ଏଠି merit ରେ consideration
anyway and the successful list.
ତାପରେ ଏଠି କହିଲେ ଯେ ଆମେ କମିଟିରେ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ କରୁଛୁ for consideration now in the counter affidavit filed by MCL
What does the committee say?
ସେ ସେଠି କହିଛନ୍ତି କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଲେ annexure 3/2 ସିରିଜ ରେ ଯେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯେହେତୁ ଆମେ ଓନ୍ଲି ପାଇବୁ ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଏରିଆରେ ତାଙ୍କର MCL ର ଯୋଉ ଅଫିସ ଅଛି ସେଠି ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଭ୍ୟାକାଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ତେଣୁ ଟେଇ ହବନି ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଦି ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଦେବ ପ୍ରଧାନ କେସ୍ ରେ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଲା ସେମାନେ ମୋ ରିପିଟିସନ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ବେଳେ 2019 ରେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦେଇଛି ତାକୁ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ ବିକଜ ଦି ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ୱାଜ ଇସ୍ୟୁଡ ବାଇ ଦିସ୍ ନୋବେଲ କୋର୍ଟ when this matter came up ସେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯାହା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ରିଟ୍ ଆପିଲ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ରିଟ୍ ଆପିଲ was dismissed on the ground of limitation with the observation that this will not be a precedent for other cases but not for the fact of the same case now ଏଥିରେ ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଡିସିସନଟା ଏଇଠି ଦେଖଉଥିଲି in respect of the co-owner ସେଥିରେ paragraph 2 ରେ fact ରେ ଲେଖିଲେ 4 ଜଣ ମାନଙ୍କ କଥା which also includes the predecessor of the present petitioner Lakshmidhar paragraph 8 ରେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଯଦିଓ ଅନ୍ୟ ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କ ଓନର କୋ-ଓନର କୁ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ଦେବ ଆଉ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀଧରଙ୍କର ଦିଆ ହେଇନି ଦେବ ଗଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଲେଟର ଅନ୍ ବାଇ ଭର୍ଚୁ ଅଫ ଦିସ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀଧରକୁ ଦିଆ ହେଇନି ବୋଲି paragraph 8 ରେ ଲେଖିଲେ then paragraph 11 ରେ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଲେ denial of benefit on the ground there is no availability of vacancy cannot be sustained in the
Okay, that's fine. Now, Mr. Das, what is the reason for not
Actually,
considering?
no posts are now available.
That is the whole difficulty. If I have said in my, I have dealt that writ application in my counter affidavit. If a lordship will see my.
But where is the? that,
No, we have said this matter was placed before the.
Just a
that-
minute, sir,
Yes,
is there any guideline in the land acquisition scheme or somewhere?
yes, there
That you
are
have to
guidelines,
give
there
that
are
job.
guidelines, there are
Where is
guidelines.
that?
There are different things are, that guideline I have not brought it. I think I have filed as annexure A/2.
Amen.
Copy of the said uniform guideline has been filed as annexure A/2. Yes. Yes, Miras, place 13. I do not want to suppress anything from the court.
A family person shall be eligible to rehabilitation benefit, all the lands of the family have been acquired. More than 1/3. How much land has been acquired? Entire land
No, not entirely. That also I
from
have
this
said.
person.
I have said. Lost 60% of their lands. Not entire land.
Only homestead land has been acquired, homestead less person regarding. So here, where is the,
I have annexed also what is the land acquired at page 15, annexed B/2.
so here in case of families who have lost 1/3 of the total agricultural holding, one member from each family shall be provided with employment according to availability. Sir, according to availability, if according to availability with their guideline,
Availability
then
ନାହିଁ
how,
post.
where from they will get the. if they
Available
don't have-
ନାହିଁ ଆମେ କହିଛୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ କାଉଣ୍ଟରରେ ମୁଁ କହିଛି
ଏଇଟା-
ଠିକ comes under D
If
category.
it is not available, any other alternative.
Under D category, it is available. I have said in my counter. He doesn't want to let him finish first. I will place my counter. Every time he complains, I am not allowing him to speak. This is not a bad thing. I have not lost this.
Placing
I have
my
put in-
lords in an
I have put in
interruption,
54 years
and
of
respect.
practice here.
I was asking something.
I have put in 54 years
That's
of practice.
right,
I have not
when I'm
lost
practicing,
this
you can
level
have
of
the right to present my lord.
behavior.
Anyway, just see, now the thing is, as per the guideline, it said, if subject to availability, if it is not available, then where from?
They have given in 2019. Postal
That,
to my
that,
case.
that time it might. be
Out
available.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ନାହିଁ
What I am
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ there is
saying-
no availability.
When, at that time, did you apply at that time?
I have applied much before, not now. I applied, let me just point out your lordship, that was, I was called for interview in 2000, at 1991, your lordship. So they could have given 91
Again,
practice by reasonable court in one of the
family
order
with-
was pleased to ask the MCL to file an affidavit, whether in the, during this period, no post has been vacant or not. So you gave employment to outsiders, but not to. the
We have
public
never
for any
given
other-
employment to any
That
outside.
is an affidavit was sought to be filed by the MCL. 91 ରୁ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ 2024 ଭିତରେ my lord, that's 33 years.
Now at this, suppose କାଲି ତମର ଆପଣଙ୍କ age କେତେ ହେଲାଣି ଏବେ?
ମାନେ ଆଙ୍କ ପୁଅ ପିଲା ପାଇବେ, ଅନ୍ୟ କେସରେ ବି ସେୟା କହିଛନ୍ତି।
ତା ପିଲା
ଏଜ୍ ବାର୍ ଆଉ ସିଏ ତ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ନା, ଭୁଲ ଏଥିରେ କାହାର ନାହିଁ। ସେମାନେ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି, ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପିଲା ପାଇବେ, ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଚାକିରି ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କର। ଇଏ ଜଣକୁ 45 ହେଇଥିଲା 2017 ରେ, ଆଉ ଜଣକୁ 56, ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପିଲା ପାଇବେ, ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କର ସେ ଯୋଉ ଦେବର ପିଲାକୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ନାତିକି। 4 ଜଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ 3 ଜଣ ପାଇଗଲେ ଲର୍ଡସିପ will consider। ମୋର ଆଉ ଏଥିରେ କିଛି କହିବାର ନାହିଁ।
In our case, I have filed in my counter the present situation. There is no post available. So there was a meeting of, I have 2 affidavits I have filed. There is a meeting of the
But what he is saying, the other persons you have.
other
given
post
them-
error.
Other post
Actually,
error.
family is one. Family is one. If your lordship checks that way, more people has got an employment. Therefore, he had 4 sons.
There's joint family.
A joint family. It is a joint family. Lands of the father are acquired.
Oh, then these people got later divided and then.
Got appointment. The whole difficulty is, we are not to discriminate in X, Y, or Z. We have said, we have.
If it is one family, 2 person have already got them.
Paragraph 2 of their-
All people get.
Paragraph 2 of their additional affidavit ଦେଖିବେ। ଏଟା 4ଟା separate family ସେମାନେ deal କରିଛନ୍ତି, କାରଣ ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଦେବେ, କିନ୍ତୁ post ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ଦେବେନି।
ନାହିଁ ତ post
But
ଦବ
post
କୋଉଠି?
ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ଦେବେନି, that is the ground। 91
Now
number
he
that is
becomes,
the-
he
ଆମର
becomes.
guideline ଅଛି post ନଥିଲେ ଦେବେନି।
But 91 ରୁ 2020 ସେ ଡେରି କରିକି କହିବେ post ଟା ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି your lordship will consider, can they file an affidavit to say 91 ରୁ 2024 ଭିତରେ এই ক্যাটাগরির পোস্ট ভ্যাকান্ট হয়নি।
এই লোকটা যে যে ফাইল করছি
ସେ 91 ରେ ফাইল କରିଥିଲା କି?
এই লোক যে ফাইল করছি সে তার 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 এজ কেতে?
ତାଙ୍କ ଲୋକ ବା
এই
45
লোক এই লোক যে ফাইল করছি পিটিশন
45 56
এই লোক 45 পিটিশন যার ফাইল
ନାଇଁ ଇଏ ଆଙ୍କ ପିଲା ପାଇବେ। ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କର ପିଲା ଦେବର ନାତିକି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ୟାଙ୍କରି ବେଳକୁ ରିଟ୍ ଆପିଲ କଲେ, ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ କଲେ, ସବୁ କଲେ, ସେ ବି ଡିସମିସ୍ ହେଲା ରିଟ୍ ଆପିଲ। ତେଣୁ ୟୋର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ୱିଲ୍ କନସିଡର whether they should.
We have, I have said in my further affidavit,
କରିପାରିବିନି।
I have said further affidavit, they belong
ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁଟା
to
ଦେଖିବେ
D category employees. So D category employee ହେଲେ ମୁଁ annexure 9 ରେ ଦେଇଛି, page 9 subsequent affidavit ରେ, the principle to be followed by the committee will be by and large the same as that of the previous cases. The D category outfit will be considered for jobs in Kolingo area only. Kolingo area ରେ ଆଉ job ନାହିଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ। For that
ନିୟର ବାଇ ଆଉ କୋ ଏରିଆ ରେ ଅଛି?
ନା କୋଉ area ନାହିଁ। If your lordship wants, I will also take instruction.
If
I'll take instruction.
you are ready to go to some other area,
ଯୋଉଠି ହବ ଚାକିରି ତ ଦରକାର।
I will take instruction.
other area.
But ତାଙ୍କୁ that is also considered in the committee, but they did not find any area.
ପେରୁଜ କରିବେ annexure 7 ଟା ତାଙ୍କରି ଡିସିସନ। ମୁଁ ମୋ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ କହୁଛି
More.
ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ annexure 7
Read petition.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Actually, ସବୁଆଡେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଭୁଲ MCL ର family ହଉଛି one. But they have liberally given employment for that reason he comes. ଗୋଟିଏ
91 ଏଇ ପିଟିସନର ବାପା ଅଲେଖକୁ ଡାକିଲେ ସେମାନେ।
ଡାକିକି ତ ଭୁଲ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ନା, ସେ ସବୁଆଡେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କଣ ହୁଏ କି? Your lordship knows what happens in the coal areas. ଇଏ କୋଉଠି କୋଉଠି ପଶିଗଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ହଉଛି ଗୋଟାଏ, ତା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ବେଶୀ, ଆଉ ତାପରେ ଆଉ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ, ଆସିବ କୋଉଠି?
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି you have any post in any other area.
I will take instruction. Your lordship kindly direct me, I will take instruction.
Principal of Copy number কেতে এটা MCL টা?
MCL is not true. Copy number 2.
Copy number 2. Availability of any post in any other area other than এটা কোন এরিয়া আপনি আপনারা
କଳିଙ୍ଗ ଏରିଆରେ ହବ ବୋଲି
ନାଇଁ କଳିଙ୍ଗ ଏରିଆରେ ବି ସରିଗଲା।
ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି।
ଆଉ ନାହିଁ, ଏ ଏରିଆରେ ନାହିଁ, ତାଙ୍କ ଏରିଆରେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ।
এটা জগন্নাথ এরিয়া।
ଏଟା ହଉଛି ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଏରିଆ।
ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଏରିଆ।
Okay.
ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଏରିଆରେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ।
Other than Jagannath area.
Obliged.
If the post is available.
in ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଏରିଆ itself ବି indicate କରିଛନ୍ତି ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ। ସେଠି
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା affidavit ଦେଇଦେବି କୋଉ ଏରିଆରେ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ, ଡିଟେଲ affidavit ଦେଇଦେବି।
Other than Jagannath area, if there is if there is no non-availability of post in Jagannath area, then the petitioner can be accommodated. If there is availability of post in any other area.
MCL ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯେତେ ପଇସା ଦଉଛି CSR ରେ କେହି ଦେବେନି। ଗୋଟେ ମେଡିକାଲ କଲେଜ ତିଆରି ହେଇଛି ତ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରୁନି। We have completed a medical college. We have completed the last 2 years.
The possibility of accommodating the present petition. That is the present petitioner's. Word.
A copy of the order may be given to me. The lordship direct a copy of the order may be given to me, today I will send it.
This the matter. I'm fixing it after some 10th September.
Yes.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Item 16.
May please your lordship. My lord, can you have a glance to the order dated 22/4/2024? My lord has directed the
opposite party is to file an affidavit. That is paragraph 6. Paragraph 6 of the order. He has already filed an affidavit.
Is that the
Disability person.
physically challenged person?
Legally challenged.
It has not been decided. I think I have decided it.
No.
So, you have got that?
What has happened here is, let's see, the petitioner has been working in Sambalpur division from 2000.
The case.
Yes.
I'm just,
In-
I want the instruction.
I have got the instruction.
What is the instruction?
The specific instruction lordship sought if can be allowed the promotional benefit from 2017 when he was originally promoted but did not join. So the fact here is, the peculiar fact here is,
Clear fact is that because of his disability condition, he didn't join there.
No,
He
no,
wanted to continue
no,
there.
lordship, why we posted him at Bhadrak? At the given point of time, lordship, he got promoted to the post of
But when he was promoted,
assistant divisional manager. He is promoted to assistant divisional manager. And in Sambalpur, in Annex 3 that he has annexed, lordship will find that there is nobody has been posted on promotion or transfer at Sambalpur division where he wants to be posted.
because of his disability condition.
But because of his disability, that was even if we take into consideration that only way lordship will appreciate he can be accommodated at Sambalpur is by transferring out somebody who is already there in the post of assistant divisional manager. So that we can we do that, transfer somebody
But
out
when-
of Sambalpur.
when Count the year from 2017.
Lordship,
What did you do?
because of the reason, lordship, because he did not join at Balesar, he is taking ground that there was no ramp in 2017 at Balesar, at Bhadrak. In 2000, where he,
To be very frank, even today, you just survey throughout the
lordship,
state,
lordship.
you
My
hardly find any ramp.
Lordship,
I know that I am the chairman of the ramp
lordship,
committee
lordship.
for the courts.
The last time,
And
lordship,
in courts also, we are trying to have ramp everywhere.
yes, lordship,
And this year, we are going to come.
lordship, in my
going to have a battery.
that is why I have said in my affidavit, lordship,
These things are very, you are not disabled friendly banks.
not,
okay?
lordship.
Don't say all this.
He wanted to
So,
continue.
17 ରୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଆଉ ଏତେ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
Sir, yes, continue.
17 ରୁ ଖତମ।
He wanted to continue at Sambalpur.
Aare sir, continues because of the adverse situation, he could not join.
Lordship,
Simple.
that is nothing adverse in Bhadrak. That is what I have said in our affidavit. In fact, in 2021 August, 31st August 2021 only, in Sambalpur itself the ramp was commissioned. Moreover, lordship will appreciate one thing.
ତାଠାରୁ ଅଧିକ ଜାଗାରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ramp ନାହିଁ।
Lordship,
ଏବେ ବି ନାହିଁ।
one thing lordship will
ଏଇ
appreciate.
କେସରେ ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ order କରିବି ramp କର ବୋଲି।
Ramp, lordship, ramp, only person who use a wheelchair would need a ramp.
କାହିଁକି ସମସ୍ତ wheelchair ବାଲା ଖାଲି ramp use
ଆଉ ramp ରେ sir କଣ
You can't decide like this. A person wheelchair
Walking
you
stick.
can't decide like that is how insensitive bank
we are not against, not at all against his continuing because of that reason.
simple thing, you don't do all the any other honestly. Since he has forgone the promotion in the year 2017, even if he has forgone because of adverse situation, it will start paying from 2017.
Lordship, there is no adverse situation. I can only make this submission
That
because
is not there. It is a fact that ramp was not there.
ramp was even not there in Sambalpur. That is what I have said
But
in my affidavit.
he was saying that you are disturbing him. At that time in Sambalpur, he was continuing smoothly. Even when you are disturbing
Lordship,
somebody,
in the read petition, he has not taken that ground at all.
I am taking it down from him.
Lordship will pass whatever. But can we post somebody?
Who is physically challenged should be considered.
I completely agree with the lordship, but at that time there was no vacancy in Sambalpur. No, there is no vacancy.
17 ରୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତ ଖତମ କଲା ଏତେ vacancy ନଥିଲା ନଥିଲା ଏତେ କଥା ନାହିଁ 17 ରୁ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଗଲା ଦେଇଦେଲେ 17 ରୁ ଆପଣ କେବେଠୁ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ
ତାକୁ 22 ରୁ ଦଉଛୁ
22 17 ରୁ
ପ୍ରମୋସନ ହେବା ପରଠାରୁ
17 ରୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରମୋସନ ଟା because of the advance ମୁଁ order pass
22 ରେ ପ୍ରମୋସନ ରହିଲା ନାଇଁ subsequent promotion କେବେ ପାଇଲା 22 ରେ ନା
give a note proper note पूरा एकदम penetrating
Yes, madam. With I will also
why you have not joined? Why you have not joined? What is the reason why, that prevented you to join? And therefore, since you have already entitled for the promotion, you should get from 17. So, your note should focus on this thing. Rest you want to give.
Even lordship in Dulamani Patel's case,
case पे छाड़ा तुम आगे case
आपण ନିଜେ hold करते ଯେତେବେଳେ promotion ପାଇବ ଯୋଉଠି available post ଥିବ କେବଳ ସେଇଠି
normal look ପାଇଁ, not for disabled people. Why don't you comparing? Why are you comparing the normal people with disabled?
then he will have to bring out the distinction between Sambalpur and Bhadrak. That he Lakshmi he
You'll get the distinction. So tell your client, sit with the client and do everything properly बनेगी, है ना? जल्दी Supreme Court वाले भी किसी को बने, मैं Supreme Court को जानी चाहिए, सांगे सांगे जिवे Supreme Court, certificate मारा किया,
Supreme Court
they should deserve a bashing from them.
I'm only entirely relying on lordship judgment.
Definitely they will see.
I'm entirely relying on lordship views.
My view is that when these kind of people should be given, at least he should be sensitive to that needs. Because you have some problem somewhere. He has not gone, he has not gone, you can't force him to
What
go.
is similar?
But that doesn't mean that he will not get the promotion.
What a similar situation. There is a Department of
No, this, what you are saying for normal people is fine.
The
But when
Department of
physically challenged person-
DOP to जो OA अच्छी, ताज़र से distinguish कर चलती. The class A and B persons are not desirable that they should be on the ground of disability be posted near their home. B, C and D people can be posted near to their home.
Beyond the
The
act.
questions are तांकर अच्छी DOP to निजर.
Beyond the act, that is beyond the act.
सब जानते sir.
सब मुझे
Act तो देखिए ना, act कौन कौन सी?
No,
Act
मुझे
कौन सी?
Section 25, section, yes, High Court matter, section 20, section 25.
Give that sir.
ଗୋଟେ judgment matter
अब
second
judgment note सब एक संगे दे दे. एक संगे दे दे.
lordship.
कब देवे कौन? 14th नहीं 22nd रोज sufficient time रोज prepare एक note है ना? 3-4 दिन time छुट्टी अच्छी था आप लोग बड़े prepare कर पारे. 22nd. Next.
Item 17.
17.
Petitioner's queries for appointment and compassionate ground. Today I have received the counter mail. 2 weeks time may be granted to file rejoinder.
You went today.
I am appearing for OP 2 and 3 BDA.
OP 2.
2 and 3 BDA.
BDA. File. 2018 में तो
Sir, January रो दिया लाने copy sir.
2024 ରେ file कले counter କିନ୍ତୁ copy है आदि sir.
ଏବେ କପି ଦେଲେ କପି ଦେବାରେ କଣ ବଡି କପି ଦେବାରେ ଆଇ ନ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ବି ଯେମିତି ବିଡିଏ ବି ସେମିତି ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ପାର୍ଟି ବି ସେମିତି କପି ଦେବେନି ଖାଲି ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଲେ ହେଲା ବାସ୍ କପି ଦେବେନି ତ ठीक है फाइल rejoinder petitioner file the rejoinder by so 2 weeks time granted for filing the rejoinder. Hala, list the matter of September as 5th September. 5th September. What is the day? 5th September? 5th September. Okay. Next.
Item 18.
18.
The counter I have received it. এটা ଆମକୁ ରିହାବିଲିଟେସନ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲେ କନସଲଟେସନ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଟା ଦଉଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମର ଅଦର କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପରାରୀ ଯୋଉଟା
କୋଇ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି
OMC
ଭାଇ के नांदी
OMC counter दे
Monona appears for the OMC. List the matter 2nd September. Okay. Next.
Item 19.
19.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, OAC, Odisha
In the-
State Police, my lord.
Sipoy, okay.
Yes, in 2012.
Time manner.
Sorry. Yes, Mr. Pari, you are saying something. Okay. Yes, Pari.
May I continue?
You are saying something, Mr. Pari. अरे क्या हो गया?
I heard that it is 23, but So our item is 23. I thought that is 80.
No, 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 no.
Item is 23. Sorry, I disturbed.
This is state government.
23 sometime.
This is against state government. Yes, what is that?
23 somebody is taking time.
Yes.
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 Yes, yes.
22nd August.
22nd August. Okay, please.
He was dismissed from service in 2012 on 20th.
Item 23.
No, no, no.
ଆପଣ ଭିତର ଏଠୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ବା ଫିଜିକାଲି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଖାଲି ଆପଣ ବସିକିରି ଗୋଟେ ଘରକୁ you come here physically you will see
Item 19.
your voice is tracking so come here physically next
So he was dismissed from service.
Yes, yes.
this is from service why
On without inquiry, my lord. Without inquiry.
अरे सर कौन हैला कौन पे तो कौन तू inquiry एटा तो presentation कलाळे small beginning ରୁ कौन तू dismiss from service without
Proceeding was departmental proceeding was initiated.
कौन हैला मूलरू कौन तू से को पोस्ट थिला कोडी चाकरी करथला कौन पे हैला पूरा मूलरू कहबेनी
It was CPI in the OACP, my lord.
OACP ठीक अछि तापरे
A departmental proceeding was initiated on the allegation that he tortured his wife.
Tortured his wife.
Yeah. And I submitted my wife also withdrew the allegation subsequently, my lord.
Okay.
And submitted and without an inquiry, without conducting an inquiry, they dismissed from service. I challenge that, my lord.
Because you tortured your wife, they dismissed from service.
Yes. Dismissal already set aside. And dismissal already set aside, my lord.
So many husbands are torturing their wife.
Dismissal already set.
Are they dismissed from service?
Dismissal already set aside now.
Set aside
Yes,
now.
that is. I approached the tribunal, annexure 4, page 18. The order.
Okay.
The concluding part, page 32.
What happened? What did the tribunal say?
Tribunal said since there is no inquiry, order is not sustainable, that is set aside, and lordship turned to page 31.
तापरे कौन हैला कौन तू
30. They set aside the order, my lord. And the tribunal directed, my lord, respondents are directed to reinstate the applicant in service. He will be entitled to all
then what happened?
They reinstated in service, my lord.
Okay, then.
But they did not pay the arrear salary from the date of dismissal in 2012 till the date of reinstatement. Say period ago.
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ସେଟା
12 ରୁ 18 6 ବର୍ଷ
6 years
6 years ସେ ଲୋକଟା ମରିଗଲାଣି ତା ୱାଇଫ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସବଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ ହେଇଛି ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି
ଯାହାକୁ ଟର୍ଚର କରୁଥିଲା ସେ ୱାଇଫ
ନାଇଁ ସେଇ ୱାଇଫ ନାଉ ସବଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟେଡ ସେ ୱାଇଫ we do her allegations there is nothing man and after
6 year ଆପଣ କିଛି କାମ କରିନି
that is tribunal directed to
no work no pay
my lord because of their mistake
ପାଜିଲା ଏବେ ଉଠେଇବି 500 rupees pay 500 rupees yes
because
500 when you go out still you have to pay you're going out is not going to exempt you okay
and that is the ground they have taken no work no pay because of wrongful termination wrongful dismissal my lord after this I am entitled for the full salary that is the Supreme Court decision
wrongful dismissal केमती wife को torture करिवे अब dismissal खाइले
that is not proved my lord that is not proved
so co ground
ultimately after set aside the tribunal they imposed the inquiry conducted and they imposed the punishment only censure in service book since only censure in service book
so what is your stand Mr. my lord
ମୁଁ ପିଟା ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବି
ଆଉ କଣ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି କେସ୍ ରେ ଏମିତି ଏଇ ପୁରା ସ୍କ୍ୱାରଲି କଭରିଂ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା
yes
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 500 rupees Mr. you can't spare I mean we can't spare you you have to pay
ପିଟା ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦଉଛି ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ in 2013 10 ACC that is paragraph 38
para 38
Yes, ma'am. Paragraph 38.
పడండి.
38(1). In cases of wrongful termination of service and packages is a normal rule. The aforesaid rule is issue of packages, the adjudicating authority or court service of the employee workman, the nature of misconduct, if any, found proved against the employee workman, the financial condition of the employer, and similar other factors. 38.3.
This is in your favor, in each favor, sir.
And how would judgment reach?
I will prepare the notes of submission along with some judgment.
এই জজমেন্ট সুপ্রিম কোর্ট কହୁଛି যে যদি wrongful termination না কোনসি কোর্ট অফ যদি তাকে ইনস্ট্রাক্ট করছে means you have to pay the back wages even if it is not worked.
I'm commenting, let my.
Secondly, the court directed with all consequential benefits. Secondly, our judgment reaching. There are 1988, AR 1988 Supreme Court, 344. It's a paragraph 1 there.
Okay, আপনার comment এলা আর কোন
I would what a point খালি point out করব
আর কোন
in the tribunal order, court directed, tribunal directed
କହିଲେ ପରେ ମାନେ ଶୁଣିଲି
with all consequences.
এই তিনটা ତ କଥା ଟ୍ରାଇବୁନାଲ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ଆପଣ you are there is censure ଏଇଟା କଥା ଆପଣ
Lordship, kindly have a glance to page 5 of my counter affidavit. I have specifically mentioned.
page 5. Page.
In
So what are the
Bangkok-
charges? First, because only one charge of the wife, torturing the wife, only one charge. Any other charges? Let's see the charges first.
Page 10.
Page. Let's see charges.
Charge is page 9 and page 9.
I'm at 9.
9.
What is the misconduct?
Madam. That has
This is
been-
the only charge.
No, my lord, your
There
lord-
only that.
Your lordship may kindly have a glance to page 23, madam. Page 23 of my counter affidavit. Inquiry was conducted where it was held that during my inquiry, lordship got it?
23.
Page 23 of my counter, annexure F/3.
Annexer
F/3.
F. Yes.
During second para. During my inquiry in battalion was also with his family consisting of wife Sabita Jana and 48 aged about 48 years, 2 daughters. I and one son with one Sandhya Das. With one Sandhya Das, daughter of so and so, Sri Radhananda Das was serving as Habildar Major in his battalion, who is a native of so and so Mayurbhanj district. During my inquiry and during examination of Sabita Jana, wife of the John Jana, Kumari Trupti Jana, daughter of John Kumar Jana and father of Sabita Jana, it is came to light that fact as mentioned in the written report at Sabita Jana lodged as FIR at Mohila police station is correct and true. See, he has developed illicit relationship with another lady. Those who the lady who is the neighbor of the present petitioner, madam.
ये अपना पर्सनल मामला है, इसमें क्या आप लोग क्यों पूछ रहे हो? ये उसका मर्जी तुमको क्या प्रॉब्लम?
For that reason, he has the wife of the petitioner lodged an FIR.
बाकी तो कामरे हेड़ा करिनी, तार सीनियर काहा को मिसबिहेव करिनी, वो सीनियर को गाली देनी.
For that,
और dereliction of duty तो नहीं ना?
for that, he was arrested and forwarded to the court.
That is a different
And
thing.
he has not reported to the authority regarding this the fact that he has arrested and forwarded to the court of the learned SDGM matter. And he was detained for 48 hours.
Ultimately, he was,
My lord senior is saying that the inquiry was not conducted. Inquiry is conducted.
ultimately he was acquitted, na?
Acquitted in the yes.
pay, pay.
No, I have another document, my lord, I'm showing it, my lord.
Yes. But ମୁଁ ଭାବୁନି ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ମିସକଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ବୋଲି ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଇଲା କାହାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଇଗଲା କଣ କଲା
ନାଇଁ, ସେ
କେତେ ଲୋକ କାହାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଉଛନ୍ତି
reinstate
ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ବଡ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଇକିରି ତାକୁ ତା ପାଇଁ ତାକୁ ଚାକିରିରୁ କାଢିଦବ I don't
ସେ
think it's the right
reinstate, se
decision. It's
reinstate
not too harsh.
he has not
disproportionate.
reinstated by virtue of the order passed by the tribunal, my lord.
See.
Reinstate ହେଇଛି after his joining in the battalion, my lord. 26 ସେଟା ମୁଁ ପଢୁଛି ଟିକେ
See.
annex H/3.
ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୁହେଁ ଏଇଟା I don't think it is a
He has
big
got
issue.
the benefit, all the benefit. ତାଙ୍କର ତିନିଟା ଯାକ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ନେଇ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି RACP avail କରି ସାରିଛନ୍ତି।
ଆର୍ମି ରେ ବି ଏଇଟା ବହୁତ କମନ ଏଇଟା illicit relation is very common. ତା ଅର୍ଥ ନୁହେଁ ତାଙ୍କ ଚାକିରି ସେମାନେ ବାହାରି ଯାଆନ୍ତି ନ ଯଦି କିଛି ଇନଡିସିପ୍ଲିନ କାମ କଲା then it's fine. Illicit relation ଗୋଟେ କାମ ତା ପର୍ସନାଲ ଭିତରେ କାମ ପଶୁଛ ତମେ ତ କାମ କରିନି କାମରେ ଡ୍ୟୁଟିରେ ହେଳା କରିଛି ତାହେଲେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଯଦି ସେଟା ତା ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ ହେଲା ସେ ତା ୱାଇଫ ତାପରେ ତ ଉଇଡ୍ର ବି କରିନେଲା ଯେ ମୋ ଇଏ ନାହିଁ then what is the problem?
Departmental proceeding was initiated for that purpose. It does not mean suppose somebody
आपको
acquitted in the
ज्यादा ही
criminal
कुछ
case,
रह जाते हो।
that does not mean that
I
he
don't
will
think
acquitted in the departmental proceeding. Departmental proceeding ତାକୁ acquittal କରାହେଇନି ନା?
I don't think it's a very serious issue. Departmental proceeding department କିଛି କାମ ସେ କାମ କରିନଥାନ୍ତା
କରି ସେଇ 6 ବର୍ଷ ତ କାମ କରିନି
କାମ ତ ଆପଣ ତାକୁ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିଦେଲେ କେମିତି କାମ କରନ୍ତା
period of suspension was treated as such manner.
as such ନା
No work no pay କରିକି ତାକୁ ରଖିଲେ
ସେଟା କେତେ ଦିନ?
50 days.
50 days.
ନାଇଁ
ମୁଁ ତ ଭାବୁଛି ସେ even the dismissal itself is wrong.
ମାନେ dismissal from duty
dismissal of duty
reinstate
for
in the
illicit
duty
relationship
total
ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ଠିକ କଥା
2161 ଦିନ 168 ଦିନ is treated as no work no pay.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଛି ଦେବା ପାଇଁ
I will file my written note.
give your written note give your case law but my view is he should get everything because it has been disproportionate ବୋଧେ ତା ଅଫିସର କୁ ଟିକେ ବୋଧେ ପସନ୍ଦ ନଥିବ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା this is very common army is very common this illicit relationship କଣ ଆର୍ମି ରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ବିଦା କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ତାର ଇଚ୍ଛା ଲାଗିଲା ସେ ଲେଡି ତାର ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେଲା ସେ ତାର ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେଲା ତ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇଗଲା why should you people are after that man ତାକୁ dismiss କରିଦବ ଚାକିରିରୁ ତା ଚାକିରିରୁ ତ ସେ
I will file my notes of submission.
so file a note by 27th ଆପଣ ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ରଖ
Sir.
next
Item 20.
20
Lordship, I'm seeking a passover in this matter.
passover
Yes, Lord.
oh passover
Item 20 also directed both parties file written note submission.
ଆଉ passover ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ written note submission ଦେଲେ କାମ ଖତମ
ଆଉ ଦିନ ଆସାମ ଦେଶ
ଦେବି ହଁ ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ ତ ସେମିତି ହବନି passover ହେଇପାରିବନି so let me fix another 20th କରୁଛି next
Item 21.
21
My lords, the petitioner is serving as a mechanic under survey and map publication. There is survey and map publication, mechanic post.
that is under which department
That is government. Survey and map that is Jobra.
no that is state government under
State
state government
State government.
what
That
of that this the land revenue
Revenue department.
land revenue department
Revenue and disaster.
revenue department resident disaster yes what happened
There is one sanction post of foreman mechanic, one sanction post. And as per their prevailing rules, that post is to filled up from amongst the mechanics trade by your promotion, having a 5 years experience. And the petitioner qualified all that requirements and he was eligible for promotion. But instead of giving the petitioner promotion, they have given promotion to from other trade, that is electrician. That was challenged.
you joined as what
As a mechanic, my trade is a mechanic. Mechanic. That is my post is mechanic.
so
Next promotional post is foreman mechanic.
seeking promotion to foreman mechanic
Foreman mechanic. And that foreman mechanic is to build up from mechanic trade.
sir ticket if you want to get promotion to the foreman mechanic post you have to be a mechanic
mechanic,
and you have
having
served
5
minimum
years
5 years.
experience. Yes,
That is
That is
that is the
criteria for
qualification,
promotion.
eligibility. So you are having 5 years.
Yes, sir.
You are also mechanic.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Then they did promote you to
Of
that.
the electrician,
They promoted you to electrician.
electrician,
Same
That-
same cadre, same scale or different scale.
same scale, but different trade. Trade is different, and that promotion was cancelled by the tribunal. His promotion was treated as invalid and that has been cancelled by the
Have they
department.
given it to somebody else?
Somebody else who is not eligible. Not eligible. Electrician was not eligible. I am eligible.
The person who was the promoted was not a mechanic.
Not a mechanic.
He was
Electrician.
Oh,
Trade is electrician.
okay.
Electrician is not eligible for promotion to foreman mechanic.
Understood.
So his promotion was challenged by me in the tribunal,
Hmm.
and his promotion was cancelled and held to be not legal. So accordingly, the government giving me promotion from the date, on the retrospective date, from which date that was the other trade, that is electrician was given promotion.
Hmm.
So I have given retrospective promotion. That is from July 97. But now the next question is, my pay fixation is to be made. That is the dispute here, my lord.
So you have
My
been
pay fixation is to be made.
later you have been promoted
Yes, yes. His promotion was cancelled. I was given the promotion
because of the tribunal order.
because of the tribunal. From a retrospective date, they have given promotion.
Retrospective debt.
From a retrospective, that is the
then
unexecuted.
what is the problem then?
So they have given retrospective promotion.
Now what is the problem?
Problem is pay fixation.
Pay fix.
So I am not claiming no work, no pay principle. I am not claiming wages. My pay fixation is to be made so that I can get pensionary benefits. Notional pay fixation, the pensionary benefits.
You are still working or retired?
Already both who have retired.
Okay.
Retired long since from
So why not
2010.
fix
Only
it?
pay fixation
Oh.
is to be made notionally.
So why are you not doing the pay fixation?
Lords, that his pay is to be fixed notionally, your lordship. That is with reference to the order of the tribunal, my lords. Now, the order of the tribunal was challenged by the other candidate, your lordship.
What happened then?
My lords, that if your lordship may come to page 22 of the writ petition, my learned senior has filed the order.
22.
My lords.
What
It was
happened then?
disposed of, my lords, but there was a observation given under paragraph 3, your lordship.
Hmm.
Was having heard the learned counsel for the parties and considering the materials available on record, we are of the considered opinion that the impugned order of the tribunal is now exhausted, since the said order was passed in 2010. So the observation is that the order is exhausted, which implies that whatever extent the order compliance, it has already been done by us, your lordship. So therefore, the compliance that we have fixed the pay as we have, that should not be under challenge anymore vis-a-vis this order of this division bench. And on this ground only, we have rejected the representation, my lords. That is now under challenge.
So you have already considered that.
Yes, we have considered and we have rejected under NSS 6.
You have considered as a foreman mechanic from the date, which date?
Since 16/12/1997, my lords. That as per the judgment of the tribunal, yes. But his pay fixation has been done as per the 2010, your lordship. Because in that entire time, he has never actually worked as a foreman mechanic. The other party, the other candidates was working. And he, in fact, took over the job in actuality in 2010 only.
Same principle, no work, no pay.
My lords, no work, no
Whatever work he was doing with that.
lordship. So we have fixed his pay accordingly.
Okay, give a note, both of you.
No.
Give the note. Give I'm giving 1 week time.
Yes, sir.
Only for note. 27, 22nd.
Lordship.
Prepare a note. Quoting all the judgment, that paragraph, everything.
My lords.
Next. Next.
Item 21.
May I please?
21.
22. 22.
21 sala bro.
22.
22.
Item 22. 21. Sorry. Item 22.
22. May I please? Lordship, pursuant to my lord's direction dated 24/6, the state has filed a counter affidavit.
That Valmi.
Valmi, my lord. I am filing my rejoinder.
Copy not the
Copy not the ଆପଣ ମତେ ରଖିବୁ
Rejoinder you filed?
Yes. I know.
Already filed.
वो तो सारे
Sure.
फाइल करिए
So,
और फाइल कर देते
obviously, edit का file होगी.
ना
It has been filed in counter.
let's say here
You file the rejoinder. File in the counter.
हम फाइल कर दे एटा डेट टाइप 20 तारिख
ओडिया गोटे हमर सेटा आरटा रखा छी हियरिंग पे
हाँ, दिटा के साथ दे गला.
सर जो कते गोटे दे
साथ दे.
20 अगस्त ना एटी से एक आगे रे है ना एटा आगे से
हां हम देखु छी नहीं गोटे अगर तो टिके 22 की 23 रखि दन ना
और 22 को 22. Next.
Item
हमको भी rejoinder
24.
instruction दबार अछि
24.
24.
24.
May I please, your lordship. Lord, the last occasion, the Lord Council appearing for this date, submits there with the salary of the present petitioner.
That has already
That's
released.
Yeah, Anna.
Released.
Sabu इच्छे नहीं
3 months salary, so far the submission is made, and affidavit should be presented before the Senate court so that.
का instruction तो आने के दे दे कौन affidavit पूरी file करेगी.
Instruction, there nowhere it has been stated that 3 months salary is pending with the government.
सर आपण एठी देखंतु आपण डेट ता देखंतु आपण जो डेट रो मागी थिले however in obedience to order number 2 dated 23/8/2007 of the honorable OAT in way case number so and so the subsistence allowance for the period from 16/5/2002 30/7/2007 for an amount of 2,25,101 drawn by bill number so and so and paid to Sri Sharat Kumar Rao in obedience to order dated पूरा सब दिया है ଆଉ କିଛି ନା
ସେଟା କୋଉଟା ପଡୁଛି?
ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଆର ଥରକ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
24/7 order.
ଏଇଟା ଦେଇଛି
You know, in my.
24/7 ନା?
ଆପଣ ହଁ
Order of 24/7 ना?
27/6/2024 your lordship directed to take instruction whether the
नहीं नहीं ये जो पढ़िले बा कोड 24/7 order.
ଏଇଟା ଦେଇଛି
ହଁ, 24.
ଦିଟା ଦେଇଛି ଦିଟା
ମୁଁ ଦିନ ଦେଉନି।
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଗତ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ଆପଣ ନେଇଥିଲେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଆପଣ ଆଣିବେ ବୋଲି କହିଥିଲେ ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ
Instruction ଆଣିଥିଲି ଯେ
Okay, let me close it. Order ଆକା ଭୁଲ ଦେବ.
yeah, an affidavit should be.
ଆପଣ ଆଉ affidavit
ଆଉ
order ତ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ affidavit କଲେଜ ହଉଛି ଆପଣ
I
ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି.
have not received.
ଆପଣ ଦେଖିନାହାନ୍ତି.
3 months salary so far the pending of 3 months salary is with the
ଅଛି
government.
ଏଇଠି ଅଛି
There is nowhere it has been
ଆଜି
stated.
ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଲି ସେଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଦେଇ ତ ନାହାନ୍ତି ମତେ।
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ details of allowance paid to Sri Sharat Kumar Rao
Let a copy be supplied.
27/9/2007 ଦିଟା ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି 71 ଟଙ୍କା ଗୋଟେ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି 2205 ଟଙ୍କା ତାପରେ 9/10/2007 ରେ ଗୋଟେ ନେଲେ 2205 ଟଙ୍କା 2/11/2007 ରେ ନେଲେ 1707 ଟଙ୍କା ଆଉ କିଛି ରହିଲାନି ସବୁ ଗଲା
लगाओ London Council for the State submit the letter dated 24/7/2024 and a letter dated 6/8/2024 wherein it has been clearly mentioned that the subsistence allowance for the period from 26/10/2027 to 31/8/2013 has already been paid to the petitioner. Hence, the writ petition, no further action survives. Dispose of. Next. The letter will kept in record. Next.
Item 25.
25.
25 will achieve 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder.
See, 2020 matter.
My lord, I'm conscious here. Last time also, I also took time to file the rejoinder, but it hasn't prepared. But this, since the clients have not turned up to put their signature, so therefore it could not be filed.
Okay. List the matter 22nd.
Grateful, man.
Next.
26.
26. 26. Yes, 26.
Retired since long, my lord.
Hmm?
On the plea of pending of a proceeding, my promotion was is held up in a silk cover. On the last date, a lordship directed to produce this silk cover wire. And in the meantime, proceeding inquiry is closed, my lord. I have found innocent. Lordship, see the order first. My lord, Lordship, Annex of 5, page 23.
Deep zone, confusion, almost data.
You have been found suitable for promotion in the field cover.
Ronak promotion both field cover petition.
On verification, service record services, CCR, Departmental Promotion Committee found suitable for promotion.
But subsequently, my lords,
DTEC combined?
DTEC नहीं दिखी.
lordship, one is the DPC meeting. My lord. Good.
So now what do you want? Vehicle आपने करते promotion
नहीं सील कोड खोली मत promotion देवे कौन.
Seal cover टिके देखे
तो-
नहीं नहीं मत मुंह खोली है. ये खोली मत promotion देवे. Promotion ला देना दी.
तब फिर दे
Promotion ला देना दी. Inquiry.
as per the seal cover the
नहीं मुंह देखे तो करने. Seal court.
Subsequently, he has been found guilty, your lordship. In the meantime, he has retired, my lords. And withholding of 2% pension for 1 year award has already been passed against him. Your lordship.
Then this is the order. Pension.
after promotion.
Your lords, promotion we have not yet given.
Promotion दिया ही.
My lords. So far, the charges are concerned, your lordship. One specific charge, my lords.
Nothing
which
is
was-
communicated to me. The inquiry report communicated to me. This is the inquiry report, my lord.
The petitioner challenges the impugned order promoting his juniors to the rank of Chief District Agriculture Officer and keeping the result of DPC in respect of the petitioner in a sealed cover on the plea of pending the departmental proceedings when no departmental proceeding was pending on the date
On the date
of the DPC for constitutional promotion. This court video order dated kepe tarikh desla
Last order.
19/7/2020.
19/7 to 24.
2024. Directed the Municipal State to produce the field cover.
Yes, right.
In which the result of the Department Promotion Committee relating to the petitioner for promotion to the post of Chief District Agriculture Officer is kept. Today, the petitioner submitted the seat cover and it was opened in open court and found that the petitioner has been promoted to the
No, has been found suitable for promotion.
found suitable for promotion to the post of contract,
Order please. Is seal cover.
post of
नहीं नहीं seal को मत ही नहीं. यही जाएगा. अरे दे दूँ सब.
post of
CDAO. Level 2 group
Chief
A.
District Agriculture Officer.
Officer. madam.
Chief District Agriculture Officer, है ना? In such with the matter, the petitioner, but you are saying he was, during that time he had some problem.
My lords, in fact, the submission of my learned senior that it was not already initiated is wrong, your lordship. Because on the very previous day, we had already issued the charge sheet.
Yes, sir.
So, my lords, the law is well settled in the apex court that, my lords, once the issuance of charge sheet takes into motion, that means the proceeding has already initiated. So therefore, before the it was kept under seal cover, the proceedings had already initiated. It is not.
Now that's over now. That phase is over.
Now, my lords, the final order I'm producing before your lordship. my lords.
Court final order.
So that has been communicated to us. It's there in the noting. That we have withheld 2% of the pension, your lordship.
No, that is not communicated well. But how can they, in pension rule, my lord, the power can be exercised only on rule 7, where there is a pecuniary loss to the government. Otherwise, they can't.
Not pecuniary loss, but
That
in
is-
fact, my lords, I'll admit your lordship here. They have not converted it into rule 7, your lordship. They
How
passed
can
this
they
order under 15.
Rule 15, pension, I'm a pensioner.
But what is the allegation against him?
Lords, the statement of imputations is at page 38, your lordship.
No.
Charges is at page
No.
37.
No.
Lords, he bought some property without informing the prescribed authority, your lordship. As per the government code of conduct rules, my lords. As per the government servants conduct rules, your lordship, Rule 21 says that no government servant shall, except with previous knowledge of the prescribed authority, acquire or dispose of any immovable property by lease, mortgage, purchase, etc., etc. So it was his duty to first inform the prescribed authority, and he has done it without.
Now what to be done? Promotion is there, and this is there.
Found
Now,
suitable.
This is the inquiry report, my lord. That order is not.
inquiry report ছাড়ান তো order এই order টা
সেই অর্ডারটা আমাদের কমন করে আমি জানি নিচে অর্ডার করব
May I only pray, Lordship, my colleague
say
next
order
week. I'll just research a little
Lordship,
bit.
see the
Because
inquiry
at this point, I'm a little unclear, my lord.
Lord
No.
Counsel for the, at this point, Lord Counsel for the petitioner, the state submit that, The department with a order dated 13/6/2023 has,
মতো কপি দিয়ে দেবে
passed an order imposing a penalty of withholding 2% of pension for a period of 1 year on the petitioner. So, which is after an inquiry conducted and the as per proceedings under Rule 7 of OCS Pension Rule 1992 read with Rule 15 of OCS CCA Rules 1962. Okay. And Lord Counsel of the State take instruction in the matter regarding the present position of the case.
নেক্সট উইক এসে
Yes.
এনি শর্ট ফিল মোটর কপি দেবে
14. Let's finish it. 14.
মোটর কপি
14 there. এটা নেই গেল সেটা দেবো কপি করি আচ্ছা করে কপিটা দিয়ে দেবো রাইট
মানে ফটো
Next.
ফটো উঠে দাও ফটো উঠিয়ে ফটো হ্যাঁ ডিটেলস করি নাই
Okay, next.
Item 27.
27.
Before my lord and sister starts, my lord, arguing this case, only I just want to know whether she will file the rejoinder or not. How? After West 27, my lord. We have already filed the counter. No rejoinder affidavit has been preferred by the petitioner, my lord. If she is not willing to file, then
You are going to file or
No.
you are not interested?
Not it.
Huh? Not interested.
my lord,
Decide this issue on the.
my lord may observe that when the rejoinder affidavit is not filed, your lordship may fix it.
No, I'm asking. Are you interested to file the rejoinder?
No,
or not?
No, ma'am.
You don't want to file? Okay, Lord Counsel of the petitioner submit that she doesn't want to file the rejoinder. Okay, she wants to go ahead with the matter.
My
lord.
Departmental proceeding was initiated while continuing as a sub-inspector of police. Departmental proceeding was initiated for gross misconduct and in violation of Odisha government servant conduct rules.
What is
my
that
lord.
misconduct?
That is, the petitioner was involved in a 498 case, my lord.
498. That's
My
all.
lord. My lord.
Technically.
Say three he
498.
and he has not intimated that issue.
It is not like that. Here, the petitioner has taken leave, obtained the anticipatory bail order from the Hon'Ble High Court, and he has not intimated the leave has taken on the grounds of sickness. And in the meanwhile, he has the case has been registered and he has obtained a bail order, but he has not intimated anything to the.
Your lordship, kindly see page 16. While posted to Mangalore PS, he reported sick on 19/6/2014 on the plea of sickness and subsequently found involved in Sadar PS case number 20 dated 29/6/2014 under section 498 A and 34 of IPC. In the said case, he obtained anticipated bail order by BLPL number so from the Honorable High
Finally, कौन है कौन तो state?
Finally, petitioner was imposed with a punishment of 2 black mark and that period of suspension treated as such.
2 black mark.
2 black mark, my lord.
That is
Rule
what do you want?
Rule 824 prescribes the punishment of black marks, my lord. There is no provision in the Rule 824 for period of suspension treated as such. First, second thing, Rule 834 of Police Manual prescribes the how to impose the punishment of black mark, my lord. Only in the case of moral turpitude, one can be awarded more than 1 black mark. Lords, you can see Rule 834 of Police Manual. Imposition of black marks. Black mark may be awarded alone or in addition to other punishments enumerated in Rule 824 except dismissal or removal to all officers of and below the rank of inspector. No more than 1 black mark shall be awarded for any one offense except when moral turpitude can reasonably be inferred. Here, my lord, I have imposed 2 black marks. Thereafter, you lords kindly see government servant conduct rules. Rule 20A. A government servant who is arrested due to involvement in criminal proceedings or otherwise shall intimate the facts leading to his arrest immediately to his appointing authority to whom he is subordinate. I was not arrested, my lord. So I have not intimated. Rule 20A is not applicable to my case. And DCP has initiated the departmental proceeding. I am a sub-inspector and my appointing authority is DIG of police, not DCP.
Okay. हो गया और कुछ give me note.
Madam.
Okay. वो तो 2 minute का case.
These are the 3 grounds my lord and sister has raised, my lord.
No, he is not arrested.
No, he
Only
admittedly,
he is not-
Subsequently,
but here,
acquittal in that case, my lord.
गुट्टे ब्लैक मार्क दे दिया. That's true.
Not arrested also in as per
गुट्टे गुट्टे मिलियो नहीं. तारो
And that-
implication कौन? गुट्टे ब्लैक मार्क implication टा कौन? कौन implication?
implication on 9
गुट्टे ब्लैक मार्क ले promotion हबनी ना कौन?
promotion happen.
हबनी.
Because of promotion,
Rule 837(1), general rules as to black marks. The black marks shall be remain permanently on record and be taken into consideration deciding the nature and extent of the subsequent punishment. That means once a black mark provisory provided that due to allowance shall be made for the good service marks and any other recognition of good work on the record of the delinquents in favor. That means once a black mark has been awarded in favor of the against the delinquent official minor, that is permanent in nature. That cannot be taken out.
But
That will be recorded. That will
that
be
is
that will be
effective
recorded in
promotion.
his CCR.
Effective promotion.
my lord.
সেটা থরে লাগিয়েলা আর তাকে তাকে কিছু করে ফেলবেন as per this rule.
And that period of suspension has not prescribed in the police manual. A rule 824, my lord.
So you have a case.
That so far that period of suspension is what. So far black mark.
Black mark also more than 1 black mark, and I was not arrested, my lord.
Arrest no kala we have not intimated the your authority.
Arrest hলে মই intimate করিয়া কথা. And DCP is not my appointing authority. DIG of police is my
It's fine,
appointing
the
authority.
procedural lapse is fine, but what about the your substance of your yes,
But I was not arrested,
yes,
my lord.
misconduct.
Not misconduct, my lord, due to family problem.
What family
And
problem?
subsequently, I have been acquitted in that case also.
Okay, give your note.
Fine.
Give note of quote that police manual
Fine.
provision. Okay, must quote that.
Also, comment servant
Yeah,
conduct.
please quote that.
Fine.
That your okay.
Fine.
क्या बदले? 21st.
Within a week, my lord.
21st?
Specifically,
21st.
no, prior to that, my lord.
You give it, I am giving you time.
My lord.
21st you did not get the shot. Or giving nothing.
My lord.
Okay. Give proper note if you want to save from your black mark.
My lord.
ठीक note ना देले black mark रहिला.
My
भलो note देले maybe you can be a savior. Next.
28.
This is a
28.
matter, this is a matter of dismissal matter under
Dismissal
article
from
service matter.
which service?
He was a constable matter,
Constable in
Puri matter, Puri police district matter.
Orissa police.
Matter.
What is the allegation against you?
Allegation is only, my lord, he wanted to go on leave, but that leave was not given by the IIC and he was given a patrolling duty. He disobeyed that matter. That is the only allegation against him.
What is the punishment?
Punishment, my lord, they started a disciplinary procedure under annexure 1, my lord. Without inquiring into that, my lord, they passed the order under Article 311 2B, my lord, which is not applicable to him also, my lord.
They didn't inquire.
They didn't inquire, my lord. That is pending till now also. He submitted his reply to that order annexure 2, my lord. But this incident took place in 16, my lord. Charges framed in 2017, my lord. Dismissal made in 2019, my lord. The cause of invoking Article 311 2B nowhere being mentioned. What is the extra condition for which this provision was invoked, my lord? That is only simple question, my lord. In the order itself, annexure 3, my lord, nothing has been mentioned to that, my lord. And your lordship is well aware of the Tulsiram case, my lord, 1985 Supreme Court, my lord.
I don't know, 1985 Supreme Court.
I have given, my lord.
Debe na.
My lord.
I'm not aware of it.
I am submitting.
ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ ଦେବେ ନା ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି।
I am submitting. This is the case.
ସେ ରାମ କେସ୍ ଆଉଛି କିଏ ଦେଖିଛି?
This is quoted. Well, this is quoted in this case of a similar matter.
ଏଇଟା ତ ଆପଣ ଏଠିକାର
No, those well, there
କହିଲେ ତୁଳସୀରାମ ମୁଲସୀରାମ
that has been dealt with there, madam. That has been dealt with there. I am quoting that.
ଡେଲ୍ଡ ବାଲା ନାହିଁ ମତେ ପୁରା ପ୍ରପର ଦରକାର ମତେ ଡେଲ୍ଡ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ।
Then I am only giving the
ପୁରା ପ୍ରପର ଅର୍ଡର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ ତୁଳସୀରାମ ହିଁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଏଇଟା ଡେଲ୍ଡ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
No, basing upon that matter. No, I am only justifying that. Basic upon that matter. Another police of the same district matter, but dispute on the same provision matter. But that was dismissed and Supreme Court also upheld the decision of the Honorable High Court matter. Basic upon this decision to some decision matter. That has been mentioned in that para has been mentioned.
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବେ ନା।
ମୁଁ ଦେବି ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ ଦେବେ।
ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଦେଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଆପଣ ନେଇକି ଆସ।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Also give me note.
ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ।
ହେଲା I am fixing it on 27.
Okay,
28.
problem.
Give the note and along with the judgment, all judgment.
It has quoted in the judgment, that's why I didn't read.
I want to see the original judgment. Quoted co person, co judge, quota quote करतो कितने helpful I don't know. I want to see the original judgment. Why quote?
Only 133 para 133 of that is important. That has been quoted.
Next.
Item 32.
32.
There was a noting in the lordship's board to file the written note of submission.
Note of submission. Next.
Item number 34.
34. 34.
I have already filed the rejoinder today, and I have already served it on the opposite party number 1. Yes, my lord, bank.
SB.
SB.
Upon rejoinder file करिए?
Sorry,
you have filed the.
I have filed the rejoinder.
Who actually the more copy about doing? Para Silke will clear the issue. The petitioner is stranger to the transaction between Abhishek he saw and Dule Kisa.
You filed a written note of submission, sir. Give me that detail.
Because OP2 is not appearing.
Who is OP2 K?
OP2 Dule Kisan, whose check has been disputed check. Disputed.
Not appearing.
Not appearing.
So,
Copy has been
notice
served
to be-
sufficient. Yes, my lord, it has been sufficient, but it's not appearing.
I would have charged.
He's not coming.
You get ready with your note of submission, we'll finish on that day. The Asila null nahi.
Within the 7 days.
List the matter on 29th.
29th.
Next,
35.
35.
Please, your lordship, may I kindly one Passover mail.
Passover Abani, second half, I am not sitting. I don't know, I am in DB. Next. Second half, Passover Karoni, see the 3 September. Next.
My lords, it's that brick clean matter, my lords. May I kindly take it up early.
Breaking matter.
My lords, the court commissioner report is also available with the
Oh, then
parties.
let's, Monday, Tuesday, kar de.
Lordship.
Tuesday, 13. 13, Mr. Yeah. 13 there are. Next.
Item
That report-
38.
that report has come.
Yes, we have already been supplied with that report also.
Okay, next.
Item
You've gone through that report.
My lord.
What is the report?
Lords, basically the summary of the report is that the brick clean, whatever they were working, lords, what they had produced earlier, they were just selling that off. They were
They're
not,
not-
they were
not-
not conducting anything afresh. That is the summary. My lord.
Okay, let's see.
Lords.
Next.
Item 38.
38.
Kindly one Passover.
Passover Abani, sir, I am not sitting in the next hour. How Kolga dinner? Second half I will not sit.
Division benches.
13.
39.
39. 39. Opposite party?
39, your lordship, I'm appearing for the back opposite party. Your lordship, I pray for an adjournment. I pray for an adjournment. Your lordship.
Fine.
I'm not well prepared with the case today.
Not well prepared. Will prepare. When?
Let it come in the last week of August.
You have no problem. She wants to prepare. Yes. So, but you have to prepare on that day. Okay, on that day you can't say I am not prepared. 28. Come prepare and come with a note.
Yes, your lordship.
28. 28.
38 ଅନ୍ୟ କୋର୍ଟ ରହିଯାଇଥିଲେ 38 ଟା
38 sir, second half ରେ ଟିକେ ହବନି ତ time. Second half I'll sit.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନକୁ ରଖିବେ
On the day.
13
13.
31 ଟାକୁ fix କରିଥିଲେ ଦିଟା ବେଳେ but ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ତ ବସି ହେଇନି
DB
ତାହେଲେ କଣ କରିବା ସେଟା very urgent matter
କୋଉଟା?
ଏଟା ଯୋଉ property sale transfer କରିବା କଥା collector ଆଉ officially execution case
13 କହୁଛନ୍ତି
କାଲି କି
13 କହୁଛନ୍ତି
Next week ରଖିଲେ? Next Thursday.
ସେମାନେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା କଲିକତାରୁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଫେରିଯିବେ ପୁଣି
କଣ କରିବା? We have fixed that.
କାଲି ହବନି
କାଲି I am not sure.
ତାହେଲେ
Next week.
next week ରେ Monday କି
Next Thursday କରିଦो ଭାଇ 2 ଦିନ କଥା next Thursday. Next.
Item 40.
Next Thursday କୋଉଟା ପଡୁଛି? Next Thursday
August 15.
ତାହେଲେ 14 କରିଦେବା।
14.
ଆମଟା
14 କରିଦଉଛି।
13 ହେଇପାରିବ
ହଁ ହବ।
13
13 କରିଦो। ହେଇପାରିବ। Next.
Item number 40.
40. 40 कहना थी। ठीक है। Non-APS. List the matter on 4th September.
My lords, item 30 was also fixed at 2 PM, your lordship. Item number 30.
ଏବେ 2 PM 3ଟା ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅଛି 2 PM ଥିଲା ସେ 3ଟା ମ୍ୟାଟର ରହିଗଲା।
कोई अलग कौन?
16 नेक्स्ट वीक ତାପରେ
हाँ ये 2021 छाड़ दिया 20 और 21 जो वाला